Just do it, just do it. Yes,
Now, I beg to mention item 20 with the consent of other side lordship. I've
20?
taken consent, yes.
20.
Yes. Then the matter come after,
Yes, on the prayer of MS Som, London Council for the petition, list this matter after 4 weeks.
But I'm praying for listing of five
You are also there. Mr. MS MD Bora, Standing Council,
Transport.
Transport. That matter?
Lordship may kindly fix it there because in
Standing Council, London State Transport is present. Yes.
That may be permitted to move an unlisted motion, my lord.
Is it before this?
Yes, because, my lord, as per the roster, from 16 to 19 is Honorable Justice Borua, my lord. Today, as per the roster, lord.
Tomorrow? Why?
Urgency is there.
What is the urgency?
Auction, my lord.
Let us see.
Briefly.
At 2
No, I'm praying for listing of five similar motion matters tomorrow.
tomorrow.
May it be the lordship. I beg to mention item number 33, lordship.
Yes.
In this matter, lordship, the amount I have already received.
Okay.
Madam,
After
we have paid the bill amount.
Okay.
R.
MS
R. Chaudhary.
Archod Learned Council for the petitioner submits that the grievance of the petitioner has already been redressed, huh? MS,
UDAS, additional senior government.
in view of above, the writ petition stands disposed of as in process.
Obliged.
Lord, with the consent of other side, my lord, I beg to mention item 34.
Hmm.
Lord, here, Lord, we pray for some time to file affidavit.
On the prayer, Mr. H. Gupta, Learned CGC. Let this matter be listed after 3 weeks to file affidavit in, so as to enable him to file affidavit in office.
Yeah, please, your lordship. Lordship, I would like to mention for listing of the admission matter, your lordship, on Wednesday, lord.
Why?
Lordship, there is urgency in this matter because they have not released the amount as yet, yes.
What amount?
Lordship, there is a spirit amount which have been stuck in the bank of ICICI Bank, lordship, but they haven't released yet. And the company is in the verge of ending, your lordship. Lordship, the company is in the verge of ending, your lordship. They will be.
Who has to release? Who has to release?
Lordship, the bank.
Well, it's-
Lordship order, your lordship.
there's no urgency.
On Wednesday, lordship. On Wednesday, your lordship.
When is supposed to be listed again?
For admission, your lordship.
When is supposed to be?
Last listed on 8/9, your lordship,
Ah,
but it hasn't listed till yet, your lordship.
then
And as per my instruction from the client, they have said that very soon the company is going to become NP, your lordship.
so
So they are suffering huge loss, your lordship.
what
They're
will
not
we do?
they're not able to run the business, your lordship. On Wednesday, your lordship.
We don't see any urgency there.
On Wednesday, your lordship, if possible, lordship. On Wednesday, your lordship.
New Year
Wednesday.
after 6. I mean 5. 5 or 6.
Yeah, and I'll let the listeners.
5 or 6 of January.
But in item number 41,
Yes.
Lordship, I pray for 2 weeks' time. Malad, here I need to file an affidavit in opposition in the matter.
45.
41, Malad.
Okay.
It's a content matter, Malad.
Ah.
I pray for 2 weeks' time, Malad. Some instruction is awaited from the authority, Malad. I have informed them, Malad.
Mr. Dina, Land Council for the Alice Contemptor.
For the respondent, Malad.
Contemptor?
Yes.
Alice Contemptor. Not Contemptor, Alice Contemptor. Praise for and is granted 2 weeks' time to file affidavit.
Hey, please, your lordship, I beg to mention item number 40, lordship.
Hmm.
And the agent for the day, lordship.
Hmm.
This council is out of station, lordship.
Why this is listed for? Orders we'll see. We'll see orders, you remain there.
Yes,
You be there, we'll see.
May I please your lordship, I beg to mention item number 44. With the consent of the other side, may the matter come up after vacation.
You are for?
FCI lordship, appearing on behalf of Mr. BK Singh. For lordship.
Have you filed the affidavit?
Yes, Lordship, 44 and 45.
Okay, on the prayer of MS so-and-so, learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B.K. Singh. Learned counsel with the response. List this matter after 4 weeks.
Lordship, similar prayer for item number 12 and 13.
Hmm.
Matter may come up on first week of February.
12 and 13, yes. Hmm. Same. MS so-and-so, huh? Learned counsel for the. Learned counsel appearing on behalf of Mr. B.K. Singh, huh? List this matter after. In the first week of February 2026.
Obliged, Lord.
My lord, please, in item number 14, my lord, we have
Hmm.
filed an affidavit, my lord. My lord, that affidavit may be called for, my lord. It's filed on Friday, my lord, but probably would not have.
What urgency is there?
My lord, its urgency is there in this case, my lord, because this is a land acquisition matter, my lord,
Hmm.
where land for IIT was acquired by state government. The
Hmm.
writ petition has been filed by the state government, my lord. My lord will see.
Hmm.
Now, my lord, here my learned colleague is also there, my lord,
Hmm.
and now to call for the affidavit. Okay. My lord, the urgency is because, my lord, the state government will be in urgent position because there is an execution case pending against them in Kamrup, my lord.
So what is to be done today?
That is just. My lord, there was I'll explain, my lord, what was there in the affidavit. So state government had made a calculation for the land acquisition cost. IIT has figured it out that there is a mistake.
Can it be disposed of today?
No, the payment has not been made. I for the state government.
Ah.
So IIT on the last occasion, Lordship may kindly peruse the last.
Who has
order.
to pay the amount?
Union of India.
Ah.
So
Who is
they-
your,
I am for the decree holders, Lordship.
then who is your Union of India?
Union of India, my lord.
Decree holder is not that important now.
It is the Union of India who has to respond today,
Ah,
what they are going to do.
then,
So he
That
wants the affidavit to be
Affidavit
called.
which, that called, my lord. I'm just
That may be
praying for that
called.
affidavit, my lord, to be called.
they call that affidavit.
My lord, please.
Lordship, your Lordship, with regard to item number 38, your Lordship.
Hmm.
Lordship, please to go to the previous order, Lordship. Lordship will find that this matter is in session of Honorable Mr. Justice Debashish Borua, Lordship.
Hmm.
So may I pray that the matter will be listed before the appropriate bench, your Lordship.
Why?
Not tomorrow. Lordship, because the previous order, Lordship, Justice Borua is in session of the matter, your Lord.
Will not say anything.
Which is why, Lordship, I'm praying the matter will be listed.
On the
before-
prayer of Mr.
N. Gautam, Lord.
N. Gautam, learned counsel for the petitioner. List after 4 weeks.
No, Lordship may just simply say, Lord, before appropriate bench, your Lordship.
Why? Contempt is a contempt case.
Lordship, contempt case, Lordship, but he had kept it part heard, your Lordship.
Hmm?
He had
This
kept it-
matter.
This matter, your Lordship.
It's a
Because
part of
last order, it was not reflected, Lordship. But previously, it is always, it comes up before him, your Lordship.
No, then in that case, it is submitted by Mr. N. Gautam, learned counsel for the petitioner. That matter has been heard by the coordinate bench and kept as part heard. However, it has been wrongly listed. Accordingly, therefore, he prays that better be placed before the appropriate bench. MS so-and-so.
Yes. For 5 and 6.
Is present, for respondent 5 and 6 is present, huh? Registry to verify. And registry to verify. And if the submission is correct, list before the appropriate bench. If the submission is correct,
Lordship,
huh?
correct.
Hmm.
Lordship.
Calendar to pass.
Hmm. 36, yes.
Lordship, we have received the instructions.
Now, we have challenged the, my lord, impugn order, my lord. Can we see page 43? Page 43. Page 43, my lord, petitioner participated in the tender process for settlement of Parghat. And he is found to be, my lord, valid bidder
and his name was recommended by the committee. Thereafter, by impugn order, my lord, the settlement process has been cancelled in petitioner in respect of serial number 3, my lord.
It's okay. Let me see.
My lord.
You have received the instruction.
Lordship,
What is your stand?
Lordship, as per instructions, the deponent admitted a petitioner became the highest bidder and his name is recommended, but he could not submit the mandatory documents within the fixed period, and therefore the process has been abandoned.
No, my lord, the impugn order saying, kindly see page 43.
So,
Order, my lord.
She has received the instruction. Let her brought on, bring on record.
For page 43, kindly see, my lord, for a moment, my lord. Page-
No, your interim order is in your favor.
Interim order will not help me, my lord.
Huh?
Interim order stay the, my lord, for further, my lord, NIT, my lord.
Then,
But all settlement period is for 1 year.
oh, well, let them, she has brought received the instruction, will ask them to file the affidavit.
Lordship,
We just cannot rely on this. Let them file an affidavit.
First week of January, my lord. Otherwise, my lord,
What?
fixing the date for first week of January, my lord. The settlement period is 1 year, my lord. 6 months already gone, my lord. 6 months already gone, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel for the petitioner. In terms of the order of this court, order dated 26, no, order dated 26/11.
First order, my lord.
The
10.
MS
and Bora.
M. Bora. N. Bora, learned counsel for the, learned standing counsel, huh? Panchayat and Rural Development Department, PNRD. Place the Perau's comments, place the instruction. And submits that she would like to bring on record the instruction. By an affidavit, huh? Next paragraph. Considering above. Considering above. Comma, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. In the meantime, the MS Enbora to file affidavit. No, to bring on record the instruction received by her by an affidavit, huh? This after 3 weeks.
Date may be fixed, my lord.
Interim order passed earlier shall continue.
Date may be fixed.
After 3 weeks, just give the date.
Lord.
Yes,
I have received instructions. The chief engineer, my lord, has held a meeting and asked the executive engineer to place all the required documents, my lord. So I'm praying for 2 more weeks. After that, my lord, I'll, my lord, update this honorable court.
you are under process of compliance.
Yes, my lord.
Not appears for the prisoner on call. Next, Mr. I. Bortakar, understanding counsel for PHA department, submits that the authorities, the process for compliance.
Verifying the claims, my lord.
No, process for complying of this order. Order of this court dated 28/11/2024 is underway, huh? Is underway. Therefore, 2 weeks time, huh? Praise the Lord, list after 2 weeks.
God bless.
May I please, Lordship?
Yes.
So I am appearing for a sole contemner.
Hmm.
4 weeks time may be granted, Lordship. Today morning I have been informed about this matter so that I can apprise this court.
You are appearing for?
Sole contemner, executive officer, Bilasipara Municipal Board.
Heard Mr.
M.
Emotion Land Council for the petition. Mr.
M. Pathak.
M.
My name has been
On the
not been.
prayer of Mr. M. Pathak, Land Council for the Land Council for the alleged contempt, this matter after 3 weeks. for necessary instructions as regard the as regard the compliance of the order of this court, huh?
If possible, date may be fixed, my lord.
It's okay. 3 weeks.
Any date, my lord.
Item 3. May I please open?
Yes.
In this case, my lord, the petitioner is a citizen of India, my lord. His name of his grandfather appeared in the total list from 1965 onwards. Then his father's name appeared from 1977 onwards, my lord.
So have you done anything?
Lordship,
You find out.
I need instruction, Lordship.
Ah.
Because Lordship, without reference, Lordship, one cannot mark D in the year of 2011, Lordship.
Hmm?
Without a reference, one cannot mark D in the year of 2011. So, Lordship,
You
I need to
take
take
instruction, huh?
Yes, Lordship.
Heard Mr. So-and-so. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Agreed by the action of the respondents for remarking as the voter.
Yes, sir.
Come on, this writ petition is filed. List of Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the respondents.
Yes, I am appearing for respondent number 2, Lordship.
Who is respondent number 2? Commissioner and Secretary.
Yes.
And rest,
Lordship, I appear for
you just got their name,
4 and 5.
are directed to obtain instruction. We'll see, list after 4 weeks. If not.
Item 4.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes,
Means to non-consideration of the right subsidy scheme under 2013, although we have submitted the claim petition within time with all the required documents, however, the respondents has again rejected and returned back the claim files by the letter dated, lordship,
we'll issue notice, let us see.
yes, at this stage, notice may go, lordship.
Heard Mr.
8
Todi, learned counsel for the petitioner. Agreed by the non-consideration of the claim of rupees 10,43,754 for the under the freight subsidy scheme 2013 for the period 01/10/2020 to 31/12/2020. This application is filed seeking a direction to the respondent authorities consider and disperse the aforesaid claim freight subsidy amount. List of issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. Yes, who else, sir?
I'm for the respondent number 1, my lord.
Mr. A.K. Datta and MS UDAS, learned CGC and A.K. Das, learned CGC and MS UDAS, learned additional senior government enters for all, both of you all, for all.
I've got 20 weeks for what? Please follow general budget.
1, 2,
I think
and 3, no formal
Okay, for
notice
four.
need be. No, then
industry department.
for all the respondents, no formal notice need be, sir. However, except of this and so, huh? Understand?
Item 5.
Lordship, item 5, 6, 7, and 9 are similar, only the period is different.
Period and the amount is
Amount.
different.
I'll give a list of.
5,
5, 6, 7,
7,
and 9.
7,
And 9.
7 and 9, huh? Period and
I'll provide the
amount
period
just
C amount.
will be more, I mean,
I'll just now-
convenient.
Yes.
You just,
Much obliged.
you write the writ petition number,
Yes, I.
amount, period, huh? Under the same scheme, 2013.
Only the period is different,
Period and the amount is different.
amount is different.
Yes, amounts are different.
Much obliged.
Your lordship, may kindly pass over for timing, lordship.
Why?
Lordship, my senior is stuck in the traffic, lordship.
Huh?
My senior is stuck in the traffic, lordship is coming.
What is the matter here? We'll issue notice. What can we do today?
Lordship, your Lordship, may kindly pass over a matter for a timing, Lordship. For a timing, Lordship.
You are for?
I am for the IOC, Lordship.
We'll issue notice. What's there? They are challenging the cancellation of the candidature.
Lordship.
And it is of 2023 advertisement. What had happened?
Lordship, my senior will appear in this matter, Lordship.
For some time.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
The application is for non-payment of bills, lordship.
What bill?
For some contractual work, lordship.
What contractual work?
Lordship, the petitioner from the year 2017 to till 2021, some construction work was.
What some construction? What sort of work?
some work.
It is admitted. Is
Yes,
it
sir.
an admitted amount?
Yes, sir.
Where is the admission?
Lordship, earlier location also we have applied. approved this-
Lordship, may kindly see page 37 Lordship's order, Lordship. Page 37, Lordship. Lordship has passed this order on 1/9/2025, Lordship. To file the, asking the petitioner to file a representation before the concerned authority, Lordship. Now they have said they have filed, Lordship. Immediately thereafter, they have come before the,
When they have filed this?
they have filed it, Lordship, in the month of September, Lordship.
11/9, lordship.
11/9.
Within 15 days. Yes, then?
Lordship, then lordship, till now, we do not receive any response from. the-
Wait for some time. It's just in September, October, November. Withdraw. We'll give you a liberty to them. No, we cannot just like this. Let them some breathing space, the official procedure, and your claim is of 2000 when?
The work order was issued in, Lordship,
Work order is of
2000. Is of 2017, Lordship.
30/10/2007.
the documents has to be looked into on all this 2017, right?
Lordship.
Withdraw. We'll give you a liberty if your claim is rejected.
Already we have.
We cannot,
waited for some time.
no, we can, you have to wait for some time.
Lordship, till that.
No, no, it cannot be like this. Or we'll dismiss it,
No, lordship.
then you better withdraw. It cannot be, just give them some space, some time.
Let it be pending, lordship.
No, no, it cannot be. How can this be? You have not, we have directed you to 12 to file a representation.
Yes, lord.
Then you have filed,
Yes.
it's just 3 months. Wait for some time. And your claim may be the stale claim, I'm sorry.
Severally, we have approached them, lordship.
Madam, it may be a stale claim. Law is very clear. If the limitation period is over, we cannot exercise writ jurisdiction. We cannot invoke.
Then, lordship,
Wait for some time. Or I'll dismiss on merit.
no, lordship,
So,
I will do.
but MS so-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner, having realized that the in terms of the order dated 01/09/2025, the petitioner has submitted the representation which is pending for consideration. And the representation for payment of the outstanding amount of rupees 4,77,648, which is pending consideration, which is pending before the respondent authorities for consideration, submits that he may be allowed to withdraw his writ petition. List of next para. Mr. And it is stated at the bar that the respondent, the petitioner has filed their representation on 11/9/2025. Was the petitioner, there was the respondents. Before the respondents, and the same are pending for consideration, which may take some time as the claim claim of the petitioner is claim of the petitioner for payment for the construction of the works relates back to 2017. Mr. Having considered that the petitioner, the respondents are under process, the respondents are in the process of consideration of the representation, the prayer for withdrawal of the petitioner, the land council petition of the writ petition is accepted. Mr. So-and-so,
N. Upadhyay,
standing council,
Lords,
which department?
irrigation laws.
Irrigation department is present. Accordingly, writ petition stands closed on withdrawal. List of
All right, Lords. My lord, I am for the Indian Oil
who is
Corporation.
the petition? They have also sought for time for possible for the time being. Will take after some time. Do you have any instruction? The advertisement is of 2023.
Yes, my lord.
Mm.
And the candidature of the petitioner was cancelled because the petitioner could not provide the lease deed for the land. The lease deed that was provided was defective.
Then we'll have to hear it. They were asking, they are praying for some time, possible for it. We'll take up this.
Please, Your Lordship, kindly pass over the matter for the time.
What is the matter?
Matter is related to tender, Lordship.
Huh?
Our LOC was LOA was cancelled, Lordship.
Then,
Subsequently, we have filed our performance security within the limitation period, but the department has cancelled our letter of acceptance without any reasons, Lordship. Lordship, kindly pass over the matter. Mr. Kyal will be appearing in this matter, Lordship.
yes, who is appearing for the state? PWRD. Where is this council?
Lordship, he's in court number 1.
That is the lordship.
Yes,
Lordship, last time, in the last petition, respondent number 5 and 6 were granted time to file.
yes.
But till yet, no affidavit in opposition has been filed, Lordship.
My lord, I pray for some more time, my lord. We haven't received instruction, my lord. Maybe weeks, my lord.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Who is for for Forest Department? Standing Council Forest Department? Your instruction is from which department?
5 and 6 have been completed, my lord, from the district commissioner and my lord, Department of Mines and Minerals.
Whose department, I mean, the affidavit would be
5 and 6.
5 and, my lord, as per order 5 and 6, my lord.
who is 5 and 6?
My lord, Deputy, District Commissioner, Kamrup Metro and.
You are for 5 and 6.
My lord. Only 5.
And what about the forest?
My lord, Forest. Oh, acha. My lord, I'm for Mines and Minerals only. Forest. 5 and 6, my lord. I pray for some more time, my lord. We have sent a letter, my lord, on 19.
Who has to appropriately respond?
We have a central government CPWD and department filed affidavit already filed. And at the time of last occasion, on a notification, that notification was issued by the district commissioner. On that,
Okay, heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner.
Right, instruction, my lord.
MS
You does, my lord.
You does Learned State Council submits that she has received the instruction on behalf of the instruction from respondent number 5 and 6. Therefore, prays for some time to bring on record the instructions by an affidavit. Praise the Lord. Just after 4 weeks. In the meantime, MSU does the Standing Council file the affidavit. Simply obliged. We've been 13 mention. Nahi? Yes. Arjun. Arjun. Yes.
May I please your lordship? May I please your lordship? This is filed by the state, my lord. My lord, the land acquisition proceeding, my lord. From what has happened here, my lord, for the establishment of IIT at North Guwahati, my lord, certain part and parcels of lands were acquired way back in the year 1991. And thereafter, my lord, the award was passed. Now, having not been satisfied with the quantum of compensation, some of the landowners, they preferred reference cases under the erstwhile 1894 land acquisition case. Now, in those reference cases, the quantum has been enhanced. And thereafter, due to non-payment of the compensation amount, the landholders, patadars, they have filed money execution cases. In those money execution cases, the office of the district commissioner has been implemented as respondent. And now, in pursuance to orders passed in those money execution cases, which are pending before the learned district judge in Amingao, my lord, certain orders were, my lord, passed, whereby distress orders were passed, whereby the properties of belonging to the office of the district commissioner Amingao were sought to be attached. At that stage, my lord, we came before this honorable court. Now, admittedly, my lord, the requiring department, we, at that point of time, we were under the impression that the requiring department will be, my lord, IIT, who is required to pay the, my lord, additional quantum of compensation. I mean, my lord, the balance enhanced amount. Now, that being the position, when this writ petition was filed, Union of India has also been included as a party respondent. During the proceedings of the present writ petition, it came up, my lord, that It is, my lord, the Union of India at the Ministry of Human Resource Development and Higher Education who is going to pay the amount. Under that circumstances, in pursuant to orders passed by this honorable court, my lord, a meeting was held between the Chief Secretary of the State of Assam and the Joint Secretary, my lord, of the central government at the Ministry of Human Resources. Now, there are certain deliberations were made and the Union of India had given an undertaking that they will pay the amount, the balance quantum. For that reason, my lord, the estimate has been called for from the state authorities. Now, the state authorities has prepared the estimate and has
5
forwarded-
crore 24 lakhs.
Yes.
Yes.
Now, the state authorities.
Yes, it's okay. Yes.
Now, they have, my lord, day before yesterday, one affidavit has been filed by the IIT. Now, they say, my lord, that there are some discrepancies with regard to the calculation. Now, under that circumstances, my lord, I need to take instructions, my lord.
Yes, somebody has said.
My lord, I
affidavit-
have appeared, my
Acha.
lord. My lord, my copy has not come, but my lord may produce my copy, my lord, for an.
You are for
an
IIT.
extra copy, my lord, for an.
IIT.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, what has happened?
No, just wait. Well, Mr. Chaudhary, what happened? Last occasion, you said you have agreed in principle to release this amount.
Lordship, in fact, the amount that was discussed, that was 5 crores and 24 lakhs out, which your Lordship has just noted,
Yes,
that has been released.
yes.
Now, my friend from the IIT says that there was some discrepancy in the amount calculated by the Deputy Commissioner, and which was calculated at 24 lakhs something.
Now that
Now that amount
has become 1 crore.
has become 1 crore
31 lakh.
33 lakhs.
Additional.
Now, Lordship will kindly note, once there is a sitting between the state government and the union government, it is expected that everything will be placed on record in that meeting. And in terms of the deliberations therein, the central government has released some money, that is 5 crores 24 lakhs. Now, this calculation was, it should have been there before the meeting on that day. Now, once steps have been taken for release, at this stage, whether it would be because every now and then there will be new petitions coming up that this has not been paid, that has not been paid. It should be together. And for that purpose, there was a meeting of the union and the state government.
No, that we cannot decide this now. If there was a miscalculation and inadvertent mistake, the IIT, this is by IIT,
No,
Well,
this was
page 215.
15 is by my lord, it's basically by the DC, my lord. My lord,
Ah.
will peruse the letter of, at page number 215, my lord.
Yes.
That is a letter by the DC Kamrup, my lord, where he admits that there is a mistake has happened because of some official gap in communication, maybe, my
You
lord.
take up with the government. We cannot decide.
But my lord, my learned friend from the other side, they may take instructions on this letter, my lord, and then it can come up anytime.
In any case, we cannot decide. Suppose once you have, were you not a party there? Deputy Commissioner is not, the Chief Secretary is not,
Chief Secretary is not a party in the refinance case.
Huh?
Chief Secretary was not made.
No,
a
no,
party.
when this meeting was taken, when the discussion were there, deliberation were there, Deputy Commissioner was not there.
Deputy Commissioner was there.
Yes,
And now the calculation was done, my lord, with regard.
so we cannot execute this sitting here.
Therefore,
In
my
a
lord,
rate jurisdiction, we cannot.
no, therefore.
You are working out.
No, my lord, Lordship will kindly appreciate one aspect of the matter.
Yes.
I am in distress. I am the district commissioner. I am in distress. I am not going to pay from my pocket, my lord. I am only a facilitating agency under the Land Acquisition Act.
No, you have finally, you have decided this, you have deliberated on the issue.
Yes.
And finally you came to this thing, a total amount 5 crore.
Now, what has happened here, why this miscalculation has been executed by the IIT? Because of the plain and simple reason, my lord, that in the present writ proceedings, we are focused with regard to, my lord, 7 numbers of reference cases and 7 number of, my lord, money execution cases. Those are, my lord, incorporated in the present writ petition. Apart from that, there are other perpetrators who had also raised, my lord, who had the decree in their favor, whereby the reference court had raised the compensation. To that extent, my lord, we are seeking the money. Nonetheless, my lord, let me take the instructions on their affidavit.
No, ultimately, amount has already been released.
Yes, award has already been passed. Now the issue boils down to the fact, my lord, who is going to pay the money. That is the issue here.
Which one?
My lord, the land acquisition compensation.
The amount 5 crore has been released.
Yes, they say they have released. Now let me take the instructions. In between, my lord, this affidavit has come. So under that circumstance, my lord, I humbly pray, Lordship, maybe please keep this writ petition. Let this writ petition come after Bihu vacation, my lord, after 4 weeks. Let me take the instructions, my lord.
Mr. Arbor Pujari, learned counsel for the petitioner in WPC 92
My lord.
of 2023, and who is for this other side, other writ petition? No, other writ petition.
I'm for the petition.
And Mr.
Yeah, sir.
Other writ petition, second writ petition. Mr. Arkadev Chaudhary, learned Deputy Solicitor General of India, submits that the agreed amount of rupees 5 crore 24 lakh 76,407 has been
Released to the IIT for.
released, has already been released to the IIT for onward payments to the
For IIT will forward it to the deputy commissioner and deputy commissioner will pay to the.
no, then has already been released to the IIT,
Ah.
Respondent IIT, Next para. Mr.
AB de, my lord, for IIT Guwahati. My lord, I take
IIT,
instruction on this one.
Standing
amount, my lord.
Council IIT, by filing an additional affidavit, IIT respondent, you find out, has brought on record as regards the payment of, as regards the calculation of rupees 24 lakhs 14,000 in respect of MS Tanuja Barua, wife of late Krishna Chandra Barua, which has been due to inadvertent mistake,
On the part of TC Kamrup, my lord.
which has been recalculated amounting to rupees 1 crore 33 lakhs 41,483. Mr. Next para. Mr. Arbor Pujari, learned counsel, submits that in view of the developments and as projected in the affidavit, additional affidavit by the IIT, respondent IIT, come out. He seeks for the adjournment of 6 for 3 weeks time to obtain instruction. Is please stop, considering above. Considering the submissions of learned learned counsel Mr. Arbor Pujari for the petitioner, and considering that there is considering the certain developments with regard to calculation of the amount is placed by IIT, respondent IIT, come on, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks so as to enable Mr. Board Pujari, Learned Council to obtain instruction.
Lordship, we are representing the degree holder.
Ah.
The interest calculated, the amount calculated is up to September, 30th of September. The execution proceeding is pending before the additional disbursement. The day it's going, the 15% interest per annum is increasing. Lordship, we are of the 7 respondent here, which has no, there is no discrepancy. So if the Lordship is directed to make the payment of this 7 respondent in this writ petition of 92 of 2023, then the public exchequer will be saved. That is the humble submission before the court.
To make it 2 weeks. Well, today will not pass any order, we'll see. And
Then maybe.
we may not like to interfere this miscalculation or wrong calculation, whatever. That you have to work out in the appropriate forum.
The person who is not party to this.
Okay.
This, he is not
And
party
then
to
we'll
this.
see, we'll see. Let them clear the air, right? In the record their name, this so and so, so and so. Respondents
5 crore 20.
are present. Ah,
A makeup for 4 and 5.
ah.
My lord, on this 5 crore 24 lakhs, my lord, I will
Yeah,
take
they-
instructions, my lord, see whether this money has been received or not, my lord. I do not have instruction as of now, but I will take instructions, my lord.
No, once he said that it has been released.
It is from 213, page 213.
I have not received anything.
Yes.
on this money has been-
We'll see after 2 weeks.
My lord,
They may be.
You just fix after 2 weeks. We'll just, huh?
Item number 56 is connected to the item number 15, my lord.
How?
It's a IA, my lord.
And the 56 should I list along with?
This supporting of different, my lord. Functional or the expired, my lord, with supporting we can file.
We'll take it up in that case. Let it come its own turn. We'll take it up.
It's connected. my lord.
Can you not wait for some time? Can you wait?
Sure.
Ah.
Yeah, please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lord, in this case, my lord, we are challenging the impugned order
Where it is? Page
at page 129, my lord.
129. Yes.
Lord, what has happened? The petition-
Application for award of RO dealership at
Yes,
so and so.
in between so and so. My lord, it was advertised in local newspaper, my lord, for awarding retail outlet of petrol pump.
Where it is? You read the impugned order. I don't know what is this.
My lord, application for award of RO dealership between Pasighat High.
During field verification of credentials, you failed to produce the original documents for verification of offices. The documents produced by you are
Yes.
at variance with the documents submitted, information given. Yes, then?
Then, my lord, in view, paragraph number 3, my lord, your lordship will find. In view of the
We
above.
regret to inform your candidate stands concerned. Yes.
Yes,
Yes, then?
my lord, against that, we have filed a writ petition, my lord, earlier.
Hmm.
At page 130, your lordship will find the order passed by this honorable court
This order was challenged earlier.
earlier. This is second round of litigation, my lord.
Then?
My lord, page 131 may kindly be seen.
Yes.
May I read, my lord?
The
Part
petitioner would
Mr.
be well advised to withdraw the instrument and file a fresh one to bring on record the subsequent events, taking into account the specific clause on the. However, the petitioner would be at liberty to refile the same, taking into account subsequent instructions. Yes. What
There
was
are-
the instruction?
Yes, my lord.
What was the instruction?
Instruction was, my lord, the respondent number 5 was given subsequently, my lord.
Ah,
And accordingly, we withdraw that particular application, my lord, read petition earlier.
Where's the allotment?
Yes, my lord, the next.
You are
page-
challenging the allotment.
Yes,
Yes.
allotment of,
Yes, page.
respondent number 5, my lord, at page 133.
Yes.
My lord, down.
Well,
to
issue
the-
notice, what's there? Nothing.
Yes, yes, my lord, your lordship may
At
issue
best.
notice, my lord.
At
Yes,
best.
yes, my lord.
Huh?
Let them respond.
Heard Mr. B.K. Sen, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the rejection of the candidature of the petitioner for award of award of RO dealership at between Paglahat. This is Paglahat.
My lord.
Paglahat SS School and Tamarhat Police Station, Dubri, Kochuga Road, in this district of Dubri. Advertisement
My lord.
dated 28/6/2023, and also consequential allotment order of RO to respondent number 5, namely
Namely, my lord,
respondent number 5.
Srikanto Karmakar.
You just
Srikanto
write,
Karmakar.
not namely, you just write 221.
Page 4 of the. writ petition.
Srikanta Karmakar,
Yes.
respondent number 5 herein, huh? Next paragraph. Issue notice returnable by 4 weeks. As Mr. will not
I am for respondent 2 and 3.
M.K. Chaudhary. No, we'll record his name. He's also your junior
He's assisting.
because he's accepting the notice.
M.
It
Sharma.
doesn't look nice
M. Sharma.
recording your name. S.S. Roy, as Mr. S.S. Roy, learned State Council, learned CGC, and Mr. M. Sharma, learned counsel for the IOCL, 2 and 3. Respondent IOC. Huh? No formal notice need be served. However, executive office will furnish to the learned counsel for the respondent during the course of the day. Just after 4 weeks.
Till returnable day, my lord.
What?
My lord, that the process may kindly be kept in abeyance, my lord. Because
See,
otherwise,
as per this thing, your documents are found to be at variance. And you could not, I mean, justify it.
it's there, my lord. I have
Huh?
submitted everything. I personally visited the office. I submitted the
The
credentials.
allotment of,
Only point that is involved, my lord.
ah,
They say that the co-owners of the land.
when was the allotment?
My lord,
Award? You give the date of award, huh? Right? And the order, allotment order dated, huh? Award dated, allotment of the RO, huh? Dated. When it was?
My lord, may I submit my lord?
Well,
12/05/2025.
08/2025.
My
huh?
lord.
My lord, may I submit my lord?
My lord, now.
The requirement in the advertisement and the brochure is that the lease deed has to be executed by all the co-owners.
Yeah,
Here, my lord,
we'll say.
My lord,
Needless to observe that the allotment of the RO, retail outlet
Hello.
to the respondent number 5 shall be subject to outcome of this writ petition.
that will suffice.
Obviously,
Yes, ma'am.
if we interfere, and then you have to take, steps. Next para,
By registered post, yes.
registered pursuant for respondent number 5.
4 and
Forgot
5.
that,
4 and 5, my lord.
4 and 5.
4 and 5. 4 is, who is 4?
Four-
My lord, an officer has been made by party by name, my lord.
Then 4 and 5.
In fact, my lord, my
you
learned
getting
senior
it?
friend is
No, I'll not-
representing, my
no,
lord,
no,
on behalf. of
Just
my lord.
right, heard so and so. The challenge made in this writ petition is to the first, page 29,
Same
something like that.
petition, my lord.
Rejection of the candidature, You find out from that. And page 133 and so. You said rejection by the so and so, and then order of allotment, huh? Or award of RO so and so to respondent number 5, huh? Right? Then issue notice returnable by 4 weeks, huh? And as Mr. S.S. Roy, CGC, and Mr. M. Sharma enters appearance and accept notice on behalf respondent number 1 to 4, 1 to 3. No formal notice need be served. However, extra copies. Then you say petitioners to learn constable the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 4 and 5 during the course of the day. Within 2 days from today. Then you said, yes, registered post. Why is speed post? Now it is a speed post.
It is, my lord, it is.
Okay, speed post, yeah. Okay. Needless to observe, Last, needless to observe that the allotment so and so shall be subject to the outcome of the writ petition.
I'm deeply
It's
obliged.
always there, writ petition, subject to
Obliged.
outcome.
My lord, the brochure itself shows, my lord, he doesn't have a case, my lord, a similar case has also been, my lord.
We'll see.
I am deeply obliged, my lord.
My lord, extra copies maybe.
Yes.
Sir.
Keep the report of the senior inspector.
Hmm.
So probably.
Yes, then?
That report has been received by us, my lord. We can file it, bring it on record by way of revision.
You want that the electric pole should be removed
My lord,
from your nearby?
maintaining the measures, my lord, as per law.
We'll close it. Only one part has not been complied with, and there is an observation that should be complied with.
Yes,
So
my
far as the, what do we call it?
The
Metallic roof set.
lord. As per law, it should be 1.5.
Horizontal clearance. Yes,
1.2 meters.
yes, they have
So
suggested that it should be rectified.
different, my lord, meter may be kept pending, my lord.
What pending? Unnecessary.
Also may dispose of.
Maximum is finished. I mean,
Madam-
it's complied with.
My lord, otherwise.
Only the one part.
Remain there, my lord.
And there's
meter
a
is pending.
suggestion of the electric, it should be rectified or
Madam,
the
it is
corrective
disposed-
measures has to be
We
taken. That's
disposed
all.
of by directing the authorities to do the.
Up to you. And Mr. So-and-so, learn counsel for the petitioner. Mr., in terms of the order dated 01/12/2025, Mr. Vijay Talukdar, learned State Council, placed the, what is this? Inquiry report,
Yes.
Inspection report, my lord.
inspection
Inspe-
report.
Inspection report, my lord, carried
Inspection report
out by senior electrical inspector.
carried out by the senior electrical inspector, Tezpur zone, Tezpur. Lister. He submits that he may be granted some time to bring on record the instruction. You want to file? You want to keep it pending?
Then we'll file. We'll bring it on record. my
Ah.
lord, in that case.
Then you obtain, on next date, whether this has been, the measures, corrective measures has been, I mean, done or not in terms of the inquiry report. You place that.
In terms of recommendation, that will be done by the ACP.
Yes, who is there? Who is there?
APDCL.
My lord,
Because
earlier-
we
earlier
can
they were
only
supposed to
recommend.
Take instruction, they had not brought that instruction. Today they are not appearing.
Then in that case, you just said, that will remain. Be allowed to bring on record the instruction. Let this matter be, considering above, let this matter be listed after 3 weeks. So as to enable Mr. Talukdar to bring on record the instruction by when affidavit, by when affidavit.
My lord, may I pray for taking up this matter along with another requisition?
Yes, you take it, you take it back.
May I
List
pray for
this matter along with WPC
WPC number 1572 of 2024.
1572. 15?
Yes, sir, 1572 of 2020.
1572
72,
of 2023.
24.
24.
Public.
Lordship, regarding this matter, see connected writ appeal has been pending before the Honorable Division Bench Lordship. That matter is fixed on 21 January.
What do you want today?
I want Lordship, this matter may be postponed after the Division Bench matter, Lordship.
Is it so? Mr. So-and-so. Abbas.
First, Lordship.
Yeah, Abbas, learned counsel for the petitioner. And Mr.
Arbor.
Arbor Puja, learned standing counsel, Revenue
Revenue.
Department. Have submitted that the related similar matter is pending before the
Before the Honorable Division Bench, one of such matter is, my lord, the WA 43 of
no,
2024.
before the division bench. Therefore, praise for listing of the matter after the disposal of the,
No, my lord, not disposal per se, my lord. Let it come after, my lord, 28th of January, any date, my lord. Because those matters are coming up on
21, Lordship.
21st.
no, after, what I said, last line. Have submitted, both of them have submitted, No, you just delete the relay. Similar matter, similar and connected matters are pending before the division bench. Therefore, phrase for listing of the matter after 6 weeks. Prayers allowed, list after, list according.
There's
Huh?
interim lordship on this.
Interim order passed, earlier shall continue.
I mobilize.
Please, Your Honor. So in this matter, the pleadings regarding all the respondents except respondent number 1 have been completed.
Ah.
So we have been waiting for the response from R1
Hmm.
sensibly since 5/11/2024. So I believe they've
Who is R1?
the union.
Lordship, in this matter, Lordship, we have, actually, they have sent the affidavit to us, Lordship, but due to the error in address, Lordship, it must been revert back, Lordship.
So-
Some time may be granted so that we can file our affidavit, Lordship.
Urge Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the parties. Learned counsel for the petitioners, right?
Please, Your Honor.
Petitioners. Mr.
He does.
Huh?
He does.
You are for petition, huh?
Yes, sir.
Urge Mr. D does learned counsel for the petitioners, huh? Affidavits in opposition have been filed by the respondents, except respondent number 1. Next para, MS so-and-so, learned counsel for respondent number 1 submits that due to inadvertent mistake in the affidavits, same could not be filed. However, assures that she filed the affidavit in opposition within
Within a week, Lordship.
within a week after correcting the mistakes, huh? Mr. In view of, let this matter be listed
And
after,
if a
after
advance,
four
if
weeks,
an advance
4 weeks.
filed, then I may be permitted to file my rejoinder. They may file an advance copy, share an advance copy, I'll file my rejoinder as well.
Not advance copy, at the time of filing, she will furnish you. It doesn't, it need no order is required.
Very well, to file a rejoinder, that permission may be.
You, it's up to you, no
Right,
one else
right.
can. Yes.
The
You
date may be
record your
fixed.
name, huh? So and so, so and so. Speaker, learned senior counsel, assisted by her. And for respondent 5 and 6,
The respondent number 7, he has been declared. The new respondent, my lord, new liquidator, he has instructed me.
so and so,
He
huh?
should remind.
And so and so,
I'll be filing
are
for-
present, huh? Okay. List after 4 weeks.
Deeply obliged.
Met Lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, in terms of the inquiry, right by this,
Hmm.
in 19/11/25, Your Lordship, we are filing an additional affidavit today, Lordship, to bring on record the receipts and the check details, Your Honor, by which the amounts were paid to APDCL, Your Lordship. The dispute is regarding the non-discharge of the performance equity, Lordship. On last occasion, the Lordship directed us made an inquiry as to by which mode the payment was made to the APDCL, Lordship.
On the prayer of Mr.
Bipal.
B. Pal,
Lordship.
Paul or Pal?
Actually, Pal, Your Lordship, but
This, learned counsel for the petitioner. Further 2 weeks' time is granted to file additional affidavit as allowed by this code on 19/11/2025. MS so and so is present.
Abora, Abora.
Right, please, Lordship.
Yes.
In this case, Lordship, it may be, the first priority, it may be taken up for disposal, Lordship.
Why?
Because petitioner's livelihood is at stake, Lordship.
Hmm?
His livelihood is at stake. With his
What?
family, he is starving. He
What?
is a SAS agent, Lordship, postal agent. Postal agent. His postal ID has been blocked by the postal authority. One allegation was there, and
Who is for the respondent?
mainly responsible is CGSC, Lordship. On last 2 occasions.
You
he
catch
took time.
hold of it. Without any instruction, we cannot.
He took time for filing affidavit, Lordship.
Yes.
Last on February 2025.
Yeah, you
It was
catch
last
hold,
Tuesday.
you catch hold of him. after some time.
Number 6.
Why not? Who is the main respondent? Catch hold of him. Please request him.
May please, Lordship. The petition of before Lordship was the earlier lessee open fishery, my lord. There was, but she could not, my lord, run the fishery due to some disturbances, my lord. Thereafter, my lord, this, I have a final representation for remission, my lord. That was rejected, my lord. Now, the page 22 annexure G, my lord, the impute notice was issued, my lord, for repayment of the outstanding dues, my lord. At this stage, my lord, may I pray some time, my lord, to repay the amount, my lord, at least, my lord, 6 months, my lord.
This is your demand notice, the deposit for
Yes, ma'am.
government revenue funding settlement of Sengajin.
I will pay, my lord, but my lord, some time may be required, my lord. I will pay, my lord. I am ready and willing to pay, my lord. But I am a old ailing lady, my lord. The medical documents are there, my lord. Some time may be granted to my repayment, my lord.
So you are admitting.
I am admitting, my lord.
So why?
Due to my ill health, my lord, I
You
could
should
not-
go there, go to the respondent authorities and pray for the time. What's there?
Yes, my lord, I will file a representation, my lord. I will file a representation, my lord.
When you are supposed to pay a demand
But at
notice.
least, my lord, in 3 installment, my lord, within 6 months, my lord.
Yes, my lord, notice is of, my lord, page 40, my lord, of the writ petition.
Huh?
Page 40 of the writ petition, my lord.
Page 22 is what?
Yes, 22, my lord, the impute
Sorry,
notice, my lord.
sorry.
Demand notice. my lord.
Huh?
59,000.
17 June.
17
Page
June.
41, same.
Even prior to that also, my lord, notice was issued in my affidavit, I have annexed, my lord.
Hmm.
January, my lord, in the month of January 2025, my lord, 27th of January. Page 40 of my affidavit, my lord. That 3,06,200 and my lord, that 3 fisheries 31.
Mailing which?
And again, my lord, notice was issued, my
My
lord.
lord, I am admitting, my lord, my problem is, my lord, page 23, my lord, of my writ petition, my lord. Page 23 is my problem, my lord. This is out of the medical documents. I am suffering, my lord. I am 64 years old lady, my lord. 63 years.
But he has stated that he is widow, but he is not widow, my lord. In paragraph 5, he has stated that he is an old ailing widow, but it's not correct, my lord. His husband has received the notice, my lord. Fonidhar Das has received the notice.
Right.
Anyway, my lord, let him approach the authority because, my lord, the question of my lord interest and all may come, my lord.
My lord, I will approach, my lord, file a representation, my lord. Till then, my lord, this may be, my lord, not to give an effect, my lord. Give effect, my lord.
No, my lord, because it's a revenue, my lord.
I will pay, my lord, definitely pay, my lord.
And when you are not widow, how can you claim that you are a widow?
So perhaps, my lord, during preparing the petition, my lord, it was mistake, my lord. In post title, my lord, my name of my husband is, my lord, Sri. It is written as Sri. Perhaps, my lord, it is written wrongly, my lord.
So it's a blunder.
Not, my lord, it's some mistake, my lord.
Huh?
My lord, in my writ petition, my lord, I have stated, my lord, Sri Fonidhar Das is my husband, my lord. Perhaps, my lord, in earlier, my lord, it is written wrongly, my lord. In page 3, my lord, I have written my husband is alive, my lord.
Page 3.
Page 3, my lord, it is written as Sri, my lord.
Earlier, where you have done a mistake?
Pass and paragraph 5, my lord.
Hmm.
Page last part of paragraph 5, my lord, that she also paid 1 year time for repay the revenue on installment basis as she is an old ailing widow and under treatment.
Perhaps it wrongly typed.
Here serious illness, my lord.
Wrongly typed, my lord. Page 7.
Let him approach if at all, my otherwise, my lord, revenue is there, question of revenue, my lord.
Heard, Mr.
TK Bhuiyan.
And counsel for the petitioner and Mr. MS.
You does.
You does additional senior government advocate for all the respondents. Right?
My lord, my lord. Not for one, my lord.
Who is for one?
My lord, that fishery, they have their own standing council, my lord.
Give their name.
2, 3, and 4, my lord, and the
Give the name of the standing council.
My lord, Pranjal Sharma, nine, Sutia. So as Sutia, MS as Sutia is my lord. So
Next para, huh? Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order that or to the communication public notice, demand notice dated 17/06/2025, issued by the Additional Deputy District Commissioner within bracket Fishery, Demai, whereby the petitioner has been directed to clear the outstanding dues of rupees. How much total?
4,59,000, my lord.
Huh?
This real number one, my lord, Sangathan Group Fishery.
And 2 and 3 you are not.
I'm not, my lord.
4,59,003, huh? Within a period of 1 week from the date of receipt of the demand notice. Mr. Next paragraph. The petitioner is the secretary of MS Gohaigaon Bahumukhi Mahila SS Limited. Sorry, and a businesswoman. List of who submits, who used to participate, who participates in the tender for settlement of various fisheries of Dhemaji district, Assam. So next paragraph. The Sengjan Group Fishery, number 50, Bagalmara River Fishery, and number 22, Bangalmara Pabamari Fishery of Dhemaji was settled with the petitioner by an order dated 28/4/2013, 30/7/2020, and 16/1/2021. Next paragraph. Citing various regions, the petitioner claims that the fishery, that the petitioner could not properly operate the fisheries consequent to which she could not collect the revenue after the settlement of the fisheries was accepted. Mr. Why you are saying you read para 5?
My lord?
Para 5?
Yes, my lord. Total, my lord, 5,90,000 is outstanding, my lord.
Then why you are saying that 4,59,000?
This is 1, 2, and 3, 5,90,000, my lord.
Ah.
Yes.
Till number 1 is, my lord,
1, 2,
4,59,000.
3, you have to pay all.
Yes, my lord, notice.
Yes.
Then why you have said only 4,59,000?
My lord.
Ah, next one, huh? The Mr. No. Please stop, huh? Continue. Therefore, the petitioner could not pay what is the revenue?
My lord.
What do you call it?
My lord, that is revenue, my lord. Revenue, my lord. Lordship will find in that, probably in that page also, my lord, and I have annexed and annexed.
Not pay the
But till now, no revenue
Revenue.
has been received. Revenue.
revenue for the fisheries which has been settled with the petitioner. Please stop. Next para, Mr. So and so, counsel for the petitioner submits that due to inability to collect revenue from the fisheries settled with the petitioner, she could not deposit the required revenue to the to the responding authorities. While not disputing the demand, the outstanding dues, he submits that he may be, the petitioner may be allowed to, may be granted
6 months.
sometime to pay the outstanding amount, as the petitioner is a old lady. Is it about
Is it about 62 years, my lord?
62 years? Please stop, that's all. MSU does, the state council submits that there is no dispute to the outstanding, the dispute of the liability of the petitioner. So accordingly, the authorities, please, the authorities has issued a notice. First, where you have this?
My lord, maybe please to see page 40, my lord, my affidavit, my lord.
Issued a notice of demand, issued demand notice on 27/01/2025 by the additional deputy district commissioner within fishery, Demaji, for a total outstanding amount of rupees 5,90,000.
Then, my lord, it was less, my lord, because interest accrued, my lord, that's why.
Then what was, how much it was?
Final amount is, my lord,
Just wait.
my lord.
My lord, I'll have to count it, my lord. 2066.
Just calculate, page 40, huh? 4 lakhs. 4 lakhs 37,003 rupees, huh? Page 40. Thereafter, on her being default, a final notice was issued on 17/06/2025 for an amount of rupees, total amount of rupees 5,90,004. Therefore, the petitioner is liable to deposit the government revenue forthwith, as the fisheries was settled and accepted by the petitioner. Aforesaid fisheries were settled and accepted by the petitioner. Next page. consider the submissions of learned counsel for the parties and also there is the materials available on record. Admittedly, no, not admittedly, there is no dispute to the liability of the petitioner to pay the revenue for the fisheries accrued from the settlement of fisheries of so and so, three fisheries, para to three fisheries, which now comes to a total outstanding of rupees 5,90,004. Which of course the learned counsel for the petitioner is not disputing, rather the only prayer is for granting some time to deposit the said amount of rupees so and so, as the petitioner could not properly collect the revenue during the operation of the could not properly operate the fisheries and collect revenue. And on Christopher, next paragraph, having considered that the outstanding amount of rupees so and so having been due to be paid by the petitioner to the government as the revenue for the fisheries, settlement of fisheries, and also which is not disputed, under the considered view that the present writ petition can be disposed of with the direction to the respondent authorities, the petitioner to deposit the revenue, outstanding revenue of rupees so and so, 5 lakhs total, for the so and so details within by providing some within a specified time. Next paragraph. Accordingly, the petitioner is directed to deposit the outstanding so and so within
With interest, my
within-
lord, because interest will accrue, my lord, because it's a calculation up to June, 27th of June 2025, my lord, till payment of the amount, my lord.
She's an old lady. She suffered loss. It's okay.
My lord, not loss, my lord. She didn't suffer because my lord, lordship will find my lord page 5 of my affidavit. Fishery was handed over to her on
Okay,
2022, my lord.
within 4 months from today.
My lord, interest will accrue, my lord, because
with interest
my lord.
of 4% per annum.
My lord may not be because they admissible. If she prays for my lord any remission, my lord, it's different. But otherwise, my lord, lordship may be with
We'll
interest,
remedy
my
it, don't be. It's okay. No interest. No interest.
my lord.
Within 4 months.
My
You
lord,
deposit within 4 months.
it will be my lord June, my lord. Again, 4 months will be my lord April. About 10 months, my lord. So it's a revenue, my lord. It's a state revenue, my lord.
We know.
See, in that 2022, she was handed over. It's not, my lord, that she suffered.
No, you have
due to that
calculated
COVID
the
period.
interest up to June.
Yes, my lord.
Up to June, you have calculated,
Calculated, my lord.
right?
My lord, till payment, my lord, because when she will pay, my lord, so till payment, my lord, interest will be, my lord, the government revenue, my lord.
With a lump sum interest of rupees 10,000.
Deeply
My
obliged.
lord,
Don't be after I mean,
my lord,
you are
22.
a welfare state. She's an old lady.
But it's not 62 years is, my lord, not that old, my lord, because she knew, my lord, she has to give the revenue, pay the revenue.
It's
my
okay.
lord.
10,000
10,000, my lord.
lump sum.
My lord, deeply obliged, my lord.
Then, my lord, my submission may be recorded, my lord, the interest, then otherwise, my lord, it will be fault on my part, my lord, because
revenue is, my lord, the admissible dues, my lord. I pray for, my lord, interest, my lord, up to that, and lordship may be placed
Then you write in her submission,
that,
with the liable to be deposited so and so with applicable interest.
my lord, deeply obliged. Obliged.
Huh? You want to do that? Huh? 22, huh?
Well, this may come on Friday. Friday, my lord.
Or Mr. So and so, learned counsel for the petitioner.
Friday, my lord. I'm actually missed the.
Huh?
My lord, list, my lord, and miss, my lord. So
On the prayer of the so and so, learned counsel for the respondent. You are CGC?
Yes, my lord.
CGC, list on 5th.
Yes, madam.
SK maybe, huh?
5th
5th of January. Friday, it's not possible.
Can I need some more time to get the instruction, Lord? In fact,
And Miss MS so and so learned counsel for the petition. Manojit, you be careful, huh? On the prayer, Mr. and further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction.
Obliged.
Sorry. Let's see what. To follow it, silly boy, but follow it.
Lordship, instruction is awaited. I need some further time.
Not
Lordship.
appears for the petitioner. On call, on the prayer, Mr. S.R. Borua.
Yes, sir, Bora, Lordship.
And engineer government, further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction.
It may be fixed, Lord.
Huh?
It may be fixed after. In the month of February.
You are there, Mr. A.
Yes,
Deka,
sir.
then. A.
In the month
Deka.
of February, Lord. First week of February. Lord, obliged.
3 weeks time, huh? Obtain instruction, list matter, first week of February.
May I please, your lordship.
Yes.
Lordship, as per order of 15/9/25, lordship, petitioners are directed to file affidavit in opposition.
Yes. No affidavit.
For 8/12, lordship.
Lordship, although we have received instruction from the circle officer, Lordship, but that is not, that will not suffice the purpose, Lordship. We have to take the instruction from the DC, Lordship. I need some further time.
Why you have obtained instruction from wrong officer?
No, a circle officer is also a party, Lordship.
Party is
He is
there,
also a
but you
party,
have to
but-
obtain it from the main, this is a payment, non-payment. Who has
Yes,
to
yes.
pay? Executive engineer, chief engineer, huh? Which department?
Lordship, executed by the PWD, lordship, but the order was passed by the
It's
deputy.
very simple. If you are admitting, we'll direct. If you are disputing, we'll dismiss.
Yes. For that also I need.
And Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the petitioner. Further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction from Mr.
SR Bora.
S.R. Bora, learned state council correspondent. This time not from an
Lordship.
the appropriate authority.
Date decision.
Lordship can fix a date, lordship.
3 weeks. Give the date.
Lordship.
Obliged, lordship.
Yes.
Lord, this is non-payment of bills for use of vehicle.
Hmm?
Non-payment of bill for use of vehicle.
Yes, any instruction?
Affidavit has been sent for vetting, but amount is disputed, my lord. So that's why maybe, my lord, actually no vehicle was hired, my lord, as per our statement. My lord,
So-
may be granted, my lord, some days. so that-
Dismiss? Where is the affidavit?
I have sent for vetting, my lord. So instruction is here, my lord.
Huh?
Bills is there, Annex 3.
Huh?
Bills are there, madam.
Bills, no matter, but they are disputing you.
Yes, my lord.
You are not remediless.
Let them file the affidavit.
You have, why? If
What
they are
point
saying,
they-
well, on the basis of the instruction, will
No,
dismiss.
what
what-
when they are putting the bills?
Huh?
Because I have already acknowledged. the-
Where is the acknowledgement? Where is the admission?
They have
Where
not-
is the admission by the
they have not-
authority?
no, they have not filed the affidavit.
No, you have to show, you have to establish your case. You have filed this writ petition.
Yes.
So where is the admission?
The acknowledgement is there, my lord.
Where it is?
Except, 3 page 29, so all the bills,
29.
all the bills are there.
Where it is?
No receipt.
29. Yes? What is this?
These are bills which have been acknowledged.
Huh?
Each and every bill, the acknowledgement is there, my lord.
Where is acknowledgement?
Maybe bill, where is the admission? This may be, this is a bill. Where is the
It
admission?
is submitted before
Where
the
is the admission by the authority?
authority has not yet filed the affidavit.
No, you, before filing, you have to establish, show us that these bills are admitted.
Bills have been submitted. so the-
Submission will not be enough. You are exercising writ jurisdiction.
The orders are there, man.
What orders?
Annexed to orders are there.
What
Issued by
orders?
the Deputy Commissioner.
Huh?
Issued by the Deputy Commissioner for the use of vehicle.
Sir, I'm asking any documents to show that your claim amount has been admitted or not. Is there admission?
Order is there.
Where is the
There
order?
is a vehicle annexed to, my lord. Annexed to. Page 18, 19.
So order we are not disputing. I am saying any amount, your claim amount has been admitted or not?
Because
Any admission by the respondent?
order by issue for use of vehicle.
Sir, matter, I mean, it's very simple. We are exercising writ jurisdiction for payment of outstanding bill. If it is admitted, we'll direct them to pay. If it is not admitted, you approach you avail the appropriate remedy, civil court, whatever, recovery, whatever.
No, my lord. this
So
is-
since that it's not admitted and you are not also able to show that
No, my,
it is an admitted outstanding amount, then we'll dismiss.
not us, the payment of bills, the orders were there for supply.
Order is for what? Supply.
For the supply. for-
Now, are you claiming for order or are you claiming for
Order-
outstanding amount?
Order was there for providing the vehicle.
Huh?
We have provided. And for providing the vehicle, we have submitted the bill before the Deputy Commissioner, which have been acknowledged. That is Annex 3.
Where it is? Show us which page?
Page 27, my lord.
Ah,
27, 28, all the bills are there.
no, just show one.
27, we have submitted the bill before Deputy Commissioner West Kamriya along Emerald.
Are sir, I am asking, this is a bill submitted by you.
Yes, ma'am.
Where is the the admission of the outstanding bill?
The entire,
That is the first requirement, sir.
entire bill has not been, any of the bill has not.
At
been
Mr.
admitted.
So-and-so, learned counsel for deputy. We're dismissing.
But
You
let them-
show us.
My lord, we have already submitted the bill before the Deputy Commissioner, which has not been paid. And let them file.
Where is the admission that you are entitled for this much of amount?
Actually, amount of, the bills are for different period for different bills.
So you are claiming how much amount here in this
Total-
petition?
Total is,
13
30
lakhs.
lakh 23,000.
Ah, so
total.
where is this admission that this amount 13 lakhs total is
No, I'm
pending?
coming to that page. I'm to page 8, para 6. I have already written in the tabulated form, the bill for the period.
Sir, I'm not asking what you have written. I am asking where is the admission of the respondent authorities that this much of bill is pending?
Actually, we have submitted representation also, my lord. For non-payment of bill, we have submitted the representation that in Excel
SK,
4.
SK Singh, SK Singh,
Yes, sir.
S Singh, learned counsel for the petitioner. By filing this writ petition, the petitioner claims for has prayed for a direction to make payment of rupees 13 lakhs 23,469 rupees. For higher charges.
Higher charge.
Higher charges of his what vehicle? Of the vehicle bearing registration number AS09F of F9399, which is pending before the responding authorities. List of on repeated queries as to whether the abortion claim amount has been admitted by the responding authority, to which the learned counsel Mr. Singh has failed to show any record. Therefore, this court is of the prime principle that the writ petition may not be maintainable. MS, however, on the prayer of MS so and so learned counsel for the petitioner, further 3 weeks time is granted to file FM.
Hello, Oblak.
And to clearly indicating as to whether the amount claimed by the petition is admitted or not.
We have submitted the representation also of
Like-
2 accounts, madam. We have submitted representation.
You want that they should establish your case, so we are granting
No,
them.
madam. Let them dispute it whether there is not,
Affidavit
they are not entitled to payment.
You want that they should establish your case. Therefore, we are granting them the time to file affidavit.
Actually.
Thank you, sir.
Only 2 weeks time be given. We will be filing our affidavit today.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learned counsel for the, on the prayer of Miss Tilnu.
Yes, Lordship.
Understanding count to WRD.
What you said.
Further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
Obliged.
Just after 3 weeks, huh?
Malad, before my senior starts, Malad, we'd like to take some accommodation. Malad. We are filing an affidavit, bringing it on record by day after tomorrow.
What is this matter?
Malad, these are mining licenses, Malad, which are suspended, Malad, because in Karbi Anglong, Malad, state was asked to file response, Malad. We have vetted an affidavit and sent to the authorities, Malad. It'll be if Lordship fixes this matter after day after tomorrow, we'll be bringing on record.
So that way though this week not possible, sir.
Because Malad, these
You are for?
Forest Department, Malad. State Forest, Malad.
Forest,
The
huh?
matter pertains to Kaziranga, Malad.
Okay. So the affidavit will be required, sir. Heard Mr. P.K. Goswami, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. B.P. Bora. B.P. Bora. Learned counsel for the petitioners, huh? And on the prayer, we'll say, on the prayer, Mr. R.R. Gogoi. D. Gogoi, sorry, learned standing counsel, Forest Department. Further, a week's time is granted to file affidavit, as the affidavit of the Forest Department will be required for proper determination of this lease, these proceedings, these rate petitions. List.
There is one more matter. Where your lordship passed an interim order.
Bronson to no? Bronson.
Item 3031. We'll say the interim order cost.
Yes, I want to call your lordship's order. If your lordships kindly turn to.
It's okay, sir. We'll say, because it will be listed together. Some interim orders is in the, some writ petition.
Only in two petitions.
Okay, the interim order passed in WPC 520
Yes.
of 2025 shall continue. Shall continue.
It will continue, Milan, but what they have done, your lordship's order was that if they have mined, extracted minerals, stones, then this can be disposed of in their way. Now, we immediately submitted the order.
Yes.
But they have not been doing it. The normal procedure is, my lord, we pay the royalty in advance and they give us challan. And when our trucks will take the material, my lord, at the check gate, we have to show the challan and they give us a form called Q form, no? And then, Milord, it is both tally and therefore we are allowed to go. Now, in this case, Milord, your lordship's order is at page. No.
Idea 43 also contempt.
Huh?
We have also filed a contempt petition for violation of this order. That is listed at item 43.
So we'll consider it, sir. We'll continue the interim order and consider it on the next.
The lordship, may you please to just give one more additional step, Milord.
Sir, we'll consider immediately. We're granting them 1 week time.
Because they are not.
We'll consider on the next date. Whatever is. By now, if
They should.
if
Milord,
nothing has had happened, and
No.
since you have already filed a contempt, we'll see on the next date.
Milord, they have now formed a committee, which is unknown to this whole thing. And they said that you can take out only this much. Your lordship's order is very clear, that whatever has been extracted, that can be taken.
Sir, we'll see. We'll see if they have not complied with, since they have already, since you have filed their contempt, we'll consider it. We'll consider. Interim order passed earlier shall continue. List, when do we want? When?
After view vacation, but after not.
New vacation?
After view vacation.
Contempt to agate ahok.
In the contempt petition, my lord, item number 43, my lord. In the, that interim order, we have already complied with, my lord.
Okay.
Item 43, also, my lord, we have allowed them to, my lord, extract, my lord. We filed the affidavit, my lord.
You have filed?
No, we have not filed, my lord. We'll file, my lord.
That
Week,
is
my
the
lord.
whole problem, Milord.
We have already allowed, my lord. We have
Do you
determined.
have any
Yes, my lord.
any order?
My lord.
Now, if it is complied with, sir.
My lord.
We will not comply. That's why we have come, Milord.
Well, let them file the affidavit. My lord, we'll file the affidavit.
Then in that case also, in item 43 also, we'll have to give them
My lord.
sometime.
Okay.
Then same
That
order,
can be-
43. Contempt, notice has been issued already.
Notice has been.
Notice has been issued.
Mr.
J. Sutia.
J. Chutia, learned counsel, appearing on behalf of Alice Contempt now.
Mal.
Phrase for in granted a week's time to file affidavit.
No, no,
Week's time to file affidavit.
Week, my lord.
Week.
Right of-
Within a week.
No, within 5th January, when they will file within 5th or
So it's okay, we'll say within 1 week.
1 week, my lord.
You may file after
My lord.
5th of
After
January. We'll not
vacation,
say
we'll
anything.
file.
Yeah. So we'll say that the list along with this
Yes.
writ petition.
Yes.
Huh?
On 9th, Milord,
Ninth.
subject to your lordship convenience.
I think we have fixed so many matters, sir.
After vacation.
January almost full. I think it's not possible to take up all the matters.
Only contempt, Milord.
Then contempt, don't say. The main case when?
After view vacation, my lord.
That I don't mind. After
Then
group, but this
contempt 9,
contempt, yes, that's right.
This don't 9, so it's.
Even contempt for number
Record
two.
same, huh?
Five.
Same party, this, yes, huh?
Four, number to go.
520.
555, so
Okay.
that's contempt. Then they should.
Yes.
No, 35, we have received instructions, we like to file affidavit.
Heard Mr. So-and-so learn on the prayer of Mr. D. Gogol and standing in forest, further 3 weeks time is granted to file affidavit.
All of
3 weeks.
Also, we have filed an affidavit. On last occasion, they have taken time to file reply. But actually, the infractions matter. Subsequently, so many developments were taken place there, but they have not challenged. May it please your lordship. Lordship, we are filing a reply today and we have.
She said it has become in process.
Yes, my lord. Subsequently, there are so many subsequent development. We have issued notice as per the observation of the honorable court.
Yes, Lordship, those
Yes, this
notices.
matter become infractions.
Huh?
Lordship, kindly hear me out. We are filing.
Okay, heard Mr. So-and-so, learned counsel body, who submits that, who seeks for further 2 weeks time?
No, Lordship, I'm not seeking time. We are filing it today and we have challenged the notices. And that matter is coming up tomorrow, Lordship.
How can you challenge the
Notices.
notices by fresh writ petition?
Yes, Lordship. It's
become
infructuous, my lord. Lordship, kindly hear me out. We have filed those writ petitions today and it is coming up for tomorrow. We have already mentioned it.
So
Lordship, may
you have
kindly-
challenging the subsequent orders.
Kindly allow this petition to be taken up tomorrow along with that, because we have a right to file our reply. We'll be filing our reply today. They It have may be taken so many times to file reply. Lordship, One the time infructuous for- matter,
See,
One
see,
time.
madam, if the matter has become infructuous on the happening
Lordship,
of certain contingencies, right?
not become infructuous. We have challenged the minutes of the meeting on the basis of which our notice has been issued.
Huh.
Whether that minutes is still.
That will consider,
Lordship may.
that will
it
consider.
May be taken up tomorrow along with that matter.
Lordship, may kindly
One
take
day
this
not-
matter as a part heard, my lord.
Lordship,
Lordship, may
matter
kindly
is-
take this matter as part heard, my lord.
Take it up as part of, because we are already, we are filing a.
Because
reply.
I have
Then
submitted
you are
infructuous
listing, you are,
Yes, Lordship, tomorrow.
I
it
have
is
not
coming
received
up.
any copy yet.
She
I have
will-
not
she
received any
will
copy
receive
yet.
it, Lordship. She
I
will
will
receive-
receive it.
see, you are filing the affidavit in reply today. So we'll list after 2 weeks. In that case, whatever is there, will take,
Yes,
muscle
Lord.
matter will take it. Heard Mr. So-and-so, and MS so-and-so, learned counsel for the petitioner, press for further a week's time to file affidavit in reply.
Seeking time, I'm filing it today.
So if you are filing, who will take care?
I'll give it to her. I'm filing it.
Will you take it up in the night in the chamber? Is there any urgency?
Yes, Lordship, there is urgency.
So
That is.
why you have not filed? You have
Yes.
taken time on 21st.
Yes, Lordship, I will file it today. I'm filing it along.
On your insistence only, we have fixed this matter
Yes.
today.
Yes, Lordship, since they have already issued a notice, there is a new cause of action. We have. filed
Therefore,
that.
you challenge that this may
It could be taken up along with that writ petition tomorrow.
Lordship, may,
My only prayer is that it may be tagged along with that writ petition.
it has not been on board.
Yes.
When did you file it?
Lordship, today we have filed it. We
You
have-
are filing. How do we know that it is not list? I mean, even the number is, it has not been numbered.
already mentioned it before the superior bench, Lordship.
Superior bench. Who is the superior bench?
I did not mean that. Court number 10, Lordship.
I'm hearing for the first time
I'm really
in
sorry.
my entire. I
Usage of
mean,
the word.
Lordship, this matter become infructuous.
who is the superior
Not superior
bench?
bench, Lordship. I'm really sorry for the usage of the word that just came out of my mouth. I'm really sorry about that.
You're from. I mean, you really think that in your mind that this court is inferior?
Not at all, not at all, Lordship.
Then-
I'm very sorry. That's what I'm saying.
How
that it
could
just
this
came out of
this
my mouth.
word come to you?
I was
There is
supposed
no
to-
superior, no inferior.
Lordship, I was supposed to say the senior
And
bench.
practically, I said, practically, it may be some judges may not have more knowledge than the
No,
other.
Lordship, like, at all, Lordship. I'm really sorry for that. I was.
But then
supposed to say senior-
don't think of the superiority, inferiority.
No, Lordship.
There's
not
no
at all.
inferior or not superior.
No, Lordship.
Knowledge might differ. Might differ.
Lordship.
All right.
I'm very sorry about that. I was supposed to say senior bench.
List after a week.
That's all, Lordship.
Deeply obliged, Lordship.
Yes.
Yes. This regarding some encroachment in a fish market, the petitioner is a settlement holder of that fish market. So, one eviction notice was issued in the year 2024. Somehow it was not executed, and Lordship, they have come up with a prayer to execution of that notice, Lordship, eviction notice.
Yes.
Yes, last
So
question.
you have allowed or not?
No, no, we have received an instruction. We said that it may not be allowed, Lordship.
To whom it has been given?
Lordship.
What is this? The land in question as per land reserve in favor of the Satisala Fish Market, and therefore the encroachment made by prevention may not be allowed.
Yes.
Who will not allow?
We are a government authority, we are not in a position to allow the enforcement. So Lordship, if your Lordship gives any direction for execution of that
As to whether
notice.
in respect to the prisoner which have been settled with the enforcement of time can be allowed. Obviously, this is a market, fish
Yes.
market, which has been settled with the petitioner.
Yes.
There are encroachment.
Yes,
How can you allow?
definitely.
What permission you?
Yes.
What
Lordship may
permission
kindly-
you?
Lordship may kindly come to page 63 of the writ petition.
Who is for the petitioner?
63, Lordship.
63.
Yes, already that eviction notice was issued. But somehow it has not been executed, and that's why the petitioner has approached this honorable court.
So you execute it.
Yes,
Who is stopping you?
yes, Lordship.
None appears for the petitioner on call. Mr. S. Borwa.
SR Burwa.
S.R. Borwa, Learned State Council, by placing the communication dated 09/12/2025 from the additional district commissioner Kamrup, Aminga, submits that the land in land reserve land in no private individuals shall be allowed to encroach upon the land reserved for Satisala Fish Market.
Yes.
Therefore, the authorities would initiate appropriate actions against the encroachers. Explain. Since 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 the petitioner is unrepresented, let this matter be listed after 4 weeks.
In
Next paragraph. Needless to observe that the next paragraph. It is expected that the husband authority said initiates actions against the encroachers over the land reserved for Satisala Fish Market. Initiate take appropriate actions against the encroachers on the land reserved for Satisala Fish Market in accordance with the law.
Obliged, Lordship.
54.
There is a hearing letter. Correct hearing letter. Yes.
Letter may kindly pass over for the time being.
Why? Is there?
My lord, as for the last order, my lord, 3rd of December, my lord, I was directed to produce the head of accounts.
Yes. What is there?
Well, in this case, my lord, the Council for the Government of India is required, my lord. As because, my lord, the scheme was sponsored by the Government of India, and the Government of Assam was only the implementing agent. Now, my lord, they have closed the scheme. But, my lord, there is a requirement for 10 crores, my lord, for payment, my lord, to all the contractors, my lord.
And my lord, we have also filed our affidavit.
In fact, similar case was disposed of by this honorable court lordship that your lordship will get at page 20.
Who's it, sir?
110.
That's it, sir. 120. Oh, silent. PVC লাগিব PVC নাই PVC লাগিব এটা দিব থামটো আমি তো দিব ৰেডি আছো
So earlier occasion, earlier round of litigation, you have admitted
Yes, my lord.
Even in
that they are entitled.
Yes, my lord. We have admitted. But
So what is the difficulty now?
difficulty is that my lord, the scheme is closed. And my lord, the fund has been taken back by the government of India.
Hmm.
So my lord, we are willing to pay them, my lord. But the
Then
fund-
pay.
but my lord, the
Who
fund
is stopping you?
the fund must come from the government of India, my lord.
It's your lookout from where you arrange it. If they are entitled,
But
it's
they
your
are entitled, my
lookout.
lord. The scheme was of government of India scheme, my lord. The scheme was sponsored by the government of India. Now the council is also not here, my lord.
No, no, if you are saying that they are entitled,
So they are entitled, my lord.
if they are entitled, you pay. From where you manage the fund, well, he's not concerned.
And similar order.
Once they are entitled,
Yes, my lord.
you have to pay.
But the scheme has been closed, my lord.
We don't know. Then you say they are entitled.
Let the government of India come, my lord. CJC come, my lord.
Don't pass the buck.
But it's their scheme, my lord. We were the implementing agent, my lord. Government of Assam was the implementing agent. As per their direction, my lord, we called the contractors, my lord.
Hmm.
Now suddenly they have stopped the scheme.
So
So, my lord, they have also to answer this.
that's why I'm
honorable
asking. They
court,
am
my lord.
asking
Yes, my lord.
stopping or the scheme or discontinuation of the scheme.
Yes, sir.
It's not a lookout. Once you have allowed them, and once you say that they are entitled,
Yes, sir. They are entitled, my lord.
it is you to manage in between you and Union of India. Why they should met suffer?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Why they should met suffer?
Let them come, my lord. Let the CJC come, my lord. And earlier, my lord, there is a order, my lord.
Let me kindly see page
120, my lord.
No, no, I've seen it. This has been recorded already.
My lord, 120 is also there, my lord.
No, no, it's
Sir.
already recorded in this last order.
This is
my lord.
1/12/2025.
120 is regarding a similarly situated person who has been granted a lordship relief. But by directing them to
So
pay.
that's why I'm saying. Once you said, forget about it. Once you say that they are entitled,
But as per
it's
this,
you to manage
Yes, ma'am.
from where you
my
get the
lord,
fund.
but as per the similar order, my lord, at page 120 of our
Hmm.
affidavit,
Hmm.
if your lordships comes to page 128, there is an observation by this honorable court, my lord,
Hmm.
at para 26. It says, my lord, it is needless to clarify that the respondent authorities shall cooperate with each other in order to facilitate the release of the petitioner's due as directed by this court in the preceding paragraph herein above.
Better?
Para 26, page 128.
Direction to all the respondents to cooperate with each other. That is all.
They are not cooperating us, my lord.
Page.
Page
Page 128.
Okay.
26, my lord. Paragraph.
Cooperate with each other in order to facilitate release of the government. Then
Now, my lord, they are not cooperating us.
Who?
The government of India, my lord. It is a clear observation by this honorable court to cooperate with each other, my lord. My lord, we are cooperating, my lord.
That is regarding other petitioners also.
Even my lord, my lord,
That
yes, my lord.
subsequently. At present, also, I am entitled, that may be directed to pay.
No. See, it's not easy. This is the similar persons, your colleague.
Similar, my lord, similar.
What happened to this?
My lord, here, my lord. Lord, I have called the officer also, my lord, from the office, my lord.
Yes.
It would keep going, it's
Yes.
Not they are, my lord, they are writing to the government of India, but my lord, they are not cooperating with us, my lord.
You are so helpless.
My lord.
You are a mighty state.
But my lord, we acted upon the experience of the government of India. Fund was allotted to us, my lord. They have taken back the fund, my lord.
Sir, my instruction was whenever the contempt case is filed, they are willing to pay. Otherwise, they are not paying. That is
Call the Union of India.
Yes, my lord.
We'll take it up at 2.
At 2, my lord. Obviously.
The matter is very clear.
No,
No use keeping it pending.
My lord.
Discuss with you, kindly inform.
My lord.
My lord, here I was directed to file an affidavit, my lord. Before 10, my lord. Full instruction has not come. Lord, so allow me 1 month, one chance to file my.
1 month.
One chance, my lord. Let it come immediately after.
And Mr. Your name, please?
Das.
N. Das, Learned Counsel for the petitioner. Mr. On the prayer, Mr. S. Bora, Learned Standing Counsel, JMC.
Lordship.
Further 2 weeks' time is granted to file affidavit as a last chance. List after 2 weeks.
Because earlier the order already says that if they do not file an affidavit before 10, the matter will be taken up for final disposal.
Last chance.
Any date, Lord.
Just give after 2-3 weeks. 3 weeks. It will go to February.
Somewhere in January, Lordship, petitioners.
We have very limited work in January. And it's already be.
Let me after the view.
First come, first serve. So many matters have been fixed. Yes. Hold the hearing matter. Huh? No. Hearing. It's a partner matter, right? It's a partner matter. Yes. It's only for submission of written argument.
Written submission. There's only one thing I want to
Yes.
Pinpoint because I have noted this. আমার এখন আছে না? February 5.
Submission for complete.
Keep it. Huh?
Para 14 at page 8. Last page.
Yes.
That the Honorable Court may also consider the petitioners have not been issued any NOC during the period of their continuance since 2014 to 2019. Therefore, barring the petitioners from applying any regular recruitment. This is something which was told to my learned friend recently only, and he has put it. Therefore, your lordships will not find in the pleadings. I wanted to point out that. But this is a factual statement, they have verified, and they're saying, and if necessary, my lord, I will file a affidavit containing these 4 lands. Equity will be in our favor, you know. We don't allow when they get the opportunity to apply regular open now we are put into this predicament.
Where is Mr. Bora? There was some more. Huh? That won't be a SLM. Okay, okay. It's also keep it, huh? Yeah. Okay.
There's one more thing I just want to point out. The Lordship has seen that the page 114, the.
In writ petition?
Yes.
No, which writ petition?
5148, I think 51.
Page 1?
That's 14 and 115.
115, you know. Your Lordship has seen this. I have placed this and your Lordship has also
Yes.
noted. The updation which is contemplated, you know, there are 3 layers. One is this circle level, then you have the district level, and then the
Junior system.
junior assistant, and then the state level. So if mirrored, the system is such that if you take out one completely, it will have an impact on the final outcome of the updation. Because the circle officer controls the villages. Each circle about several villages remain. So 25 to 30 villages remain. So if you leave out the officer, the CPS, from that altogether, then how do you expect the updation to take the required proper enumeration? You can't. And the district level officer cannot come to the villages to know this. So you have to entrust this whole thing to the circle officer, and that is what the rules also contemplated and did. So if now you are saying that entire batch of CPS is not needed, now who is going to supervise this work at the circle level? There will be a void, and the whole thing will be affected. This is a system for the future updation, and you can't summarily reject people's from the entire scene and then we will hope that the enumeration will take place. That is a very wrong step. It is not contemplated under the updation process. Nor even in their suggestion from the central government, they never said that you altogether eliminate all this. Because nobody can say that. If you have the circle level, the circle officer must have some role, and he is the CPS, and you completely eliminate that. What will be the impact on the enumeration and updation? That is one point I wanted to.
Yes, Mr. Payeng, you, other day you said about, you tried to, this thing, some submission on 11, Rule 11.
Yes.
What you were trying to say?
My lord, Rule 11, your lordship may kindly see.
That continuous
Yes,
updating,
continuous para, my lord.
page 64.
I'm reading para page 11, my lord, Rule 11.
Ah.
Maintenance and updating of national register of Indian citizen, my lord. The Register General of Citizen Registration shall cause to maintain the National Register of Indian citizens in electronic or some other form, which shall entail in the continuous updating on the basis of extracts from the various registers, my lord, specified under Registration of Birth and Death Act 1969. So this updation will be from the, my lord, that, from the registration of birth and death. Now, central government has, my lord, taken decision. My lord, in para 26 of the central government's affidavit, it is clearly said the central government has not taken any decision to update this process, my lord. It is the extent of the central government. Central government is not going to update this process. It is there in para 26 specific. My lord. Yes, in affidavit para 26, my lord. So there is no updation process. This process is not there. My lord, what this? The central government.
No, this is, see, according to, see, there may not be a decision to update. But then will not, is it not obligated on the state to have this continuous process updation?
Well, Lord, that is true, my lord. This is.
It's not
yes.
your whims, cannot be your whims. That today I don't want to do it. Let there be, I mean, mandate.
My lord,
cannot be.
May I submit the entry process?
Or is it a rule that unless the central government decides,
yes,
they cannot, the rules and the act cannot be acted upon?
It is the central government who is, my lord. The state government is nothing to do. NRC coordinator in the state of Assam is the just agent of the central government, my lord. State government, in fact, honorable in Supreme Court, the state government was not allowed to share a single data from the NRC coordinator, my lord. So state government is nothing to do. It is the central government, and as per direction of the Supreme Court, my lord, this NRC was updated. The NRC, my lord.
So according to you, though the rule mandates, but then until the time central government decides to go for updation.
This is the stand of the central government.
No. According to you.
Yes, my lord. Because, my lord.
Is there no decision to update now?
Yes.
Yes. Therefore, there is no question of
continuous updation.
Continuous updation.
Continuous updation is not there. My lord.
Irrespective of whether rules mandates or the act law mandates or not.
My lord, if your lordship see the rules, this NRC is updation of 1951. 1951 NRC was updated in the state of Assam, first prepared. And this is second time, my lord, in 2014, this exercise has been done as on the basis of 1951 NRC. This is updation of 1951 NRC, my lord, nothing more than that.
Then whatever the
yes, my lord,
rule for
2014 to 15, as per direction of the Supreme Court, the NRC was updated. So long there was no updation, my lord. It is only on the direction of the Supreme Court, my lord, this updation was done. And
maybe whatever.
Yes. Yeah, rule is there, my lord. This rule is, yes. And this, my lord, if your lordship may kindly see from the Rule 7 onwards, what is the process of updation, my lord? The Rule 7 onwards, my lord, how the updation has to be done. Everything is given. Now, my lord, if your lordship may kindly see 11.2, my lord, this is the central government. This updation has to be done by the National Register of Citizens Registration, my lord, not by the state authority. This updation, 11, my lord. This is of only directly to the central government, my lord. My lord, Register General of Citizens registered, not by the state, my lord. Then it shall be the responsibility of the head of the each and every family to ensure that any event of birth and death occurred in the family has been duly entered in or deleted from the local register of Indian citizen. It is the head of the family who has to inform all these things. My lord, no person will go to their house.
Who had paid those remuneration, I mean, the salaries and other thing?
My lord, it is the central government. My lord, we are just the NRC.
Heard, Mr. Huh? That's all.
Yes. Secondly, my lord, third para it is said, if your lordship.
I've seen it, sign it, I've seen it.
11
I just said, wanted to know what you're saying, rule 11.
My lord. Yes.
Otherwise, I've heard you on that day.
Yes, my lord, no, my lord, rule 11(3) may be seen, my lord. It is.
Seen it, sir.
Yes.
We have read it on the
Yes.
day, 3-4
So
times.
it is the, my lord, birth and death registration. On the basis of that only, this should be updated. Now, my lord, that day, my lord, your lordship has seen the gazette notification on the basis of which, my lord, the entire process was initiated. Page 71 is this, my lord.
That I've seen.
Yes, that I could not.
We cannot go back
Yes.
again.
That is there.
Heard, Mr. P.K. Goswami, learned senior counsel, assisted by Mr. B.P. Boraha, chairman, for petition in WPC so-and-so. K.N. Chaudhary for so-and-so, P. Mahanta, in WPC, and M.J. Kadir, learned counsel, WPC so-and-so. And also heard Mr. J. Payang. Payang or Payang?
Payang, my lord.
Payang, learned statement container. Of India. Hearing concluded, judgment reserved. Yes, I have recorded. I have seen your, though you have not made any submission, he has made on your behalf, referring to your state.
In the course of the day, sir,
Why, what you are doing? You have waived your right.
No, before the first half we will submit.
Submit it. We'll finish it before one. We'll finish before one. Yes. The keyboard. Yes.
39 orders.
Second one.
Non appears for the petition on call. Yes, Mr. And J. Hendik.
Lordships.
Learned State Council is present. Next para. It is seen that despite several opportunities, the petitioner has failed to take steps for service of notice upon respondent number 5. List of. In view of above. No. The petitioner appears to be not interested to pursue this writ petition any longer. Accordingly, writ petition stands dismissed for non-prosecution.
Yeah, please.
Yes.
This petition was filed by the NGO, my lord, and the registration of the NGO was due in the month of June, my lord. Renewal of the registration is under process, my lord. I need 2 weeks more time.
What?
For submitting the registration. Earlier, my lord, this honorable court directed to submit the renewal certificate, my lord.
Ordered it is
It's already on
27/10.
due, my lord.
before 3/11, Rice was directed to file an affidavit.
Yes. On the prayer of Mr.
HL Ashtavan.
Learned counsel for the further 3 weeks time is granted to obtain instruction.
Most of them.
J. Hendiga, Mrs. J. Hendiga, Mr. Counsel present. Yes.
My lord, may kindly read the order dated 28/11/2025.
Yes, what is to be done?
My lord, here deliberately the respondents, my lord, in fact, they're leaving no stone unturned to ensure that the order of the court is not complied with.
Yes.
The last opportunity was given for.
Yes,
compliance.
with the opportunity. J.K. Goswami. Huh?
In fact, my lord, a tender process was cancelled, which was challenged. And that cancellation of the tender process was, my lord, the court interfered and directed that the erstwhile tender should.
Call J.K. Goswami. After some time. Yes, after some time. Huh?
Time being.
Yes.
Lordship, as per earlier order, matter was fixed on 28/1/26. So instructions were such one.
Hmm?
As per earlier order, matter was fixed on 28/1/26.
Hmm.
For that purpose, Lordship, waiting for instructions from.
Where this has been listed?
Lordship. Hmm.
Next paragraph. None appears for the petition on call. MS
And Bora,
Enbora, London State Council.
pending council PNRD.
Is and SR Borwaswans are present. Office note dated 26/11/2025 indicates that the No. Although this matter is directly listed on 28/01/2026, in view of the incomplete steps by the Land Council for the petitioner. To the effect that the steps has only been taken in respect of respond number 8 and not respond number 6, notice could not be issued. Stuff. In view of above that the London Council for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent 6 as well. List as list on 20. No. List the matter as directed on 28/01/2026. Hmm.
It's a substitution petition, my lord,
Substitution,
for the petitioner.
then item 57. 57. A2.
May it please, my lord. I appear for the respondent number 4.
A filed.
Is not on record, my lord. My lord may grant him.
Mr.
S. Talukdar,
S. Talukdar, Learned Counsel, appearing on behalf of,
the petitioner, your lord.
your name is not there.
Your lordship, I am appearing on behalf of my senior, your lord.
Then say no, on behalf of
My
whom?
senior Y Kothari.
Why Kothari?
Yes, sir.
Learned Counsel for the petitioner.
I
You are
appear
for?
Respondent number 4, my lord.
Respondent number, Mr. So and so, Learned
Thank you.
Counsel for the respondent has, respondent number 4 submits that he has filed the affidavit
Today.
today. List of,
May it please, your lord.
same is not take with the record, list of, registered to verify, list the matter after 3 weeks.
I am seeking permission to file a rejoinder, your lord.
In the meantime, so and so may file affidavit in reply.
Deeply obliged.
Yes, sir. What is this?
I'm a class one contractor.
Hmm.
The respondent invited tender. I participated, LOA was issued to me, but subsequently they rejected my price bid. There was a condition that I have to execute the performance guarantee. That was executed by me in the time also. But you may come to page 34.
How the, after the issuance of LOA, how the price bid could be? What is that?
This is the surprise.
It was re-examined.
Lordship may come to page 34.
30?
34.
34.
Order dated 14/5/2025, but it was received by me on 19/7/25. Okay, page 34.
Yes.
Subject cancellation of LOA for the work. So and so, so and so. Dear sir, with reference to the above, it is regretted to note that despite of issuance of LOA of the above package, you have been failed to submit the required performance security. But this is absolutely incorrect. But may come to page
In favor,
page 31. There, cancellation, reason for cancellation was that I have not,
it is regretted
executed
noted,
the
despite
performance
issuance of LOA of the above case, you have failed to submit the required performance within the stable time period of. Moreover, you have not signed the other internal agreement. This is a clear violation.
what's the page 31?
You are challenging this?
Yes, Lord.
Yes.
Lordship, their main reason for.
What is 34.3, what is that?
Yes, Lordship, it is on available in additional affidavit page 71. Additional affidavit page 71.
And 29.5 and 52.5.
Lordship.
Lordship.
Thirty-four.
34.3.
Page 71.
Just wait.
Page 71.
71. 34.3. Yes.
Failure to, Lordship, may come to pay,
Failure of the succeed bidder to comply with the requirements sub clause 3.1 shall constitute sufficient ground cancellation award and forfeiture of the bids.
I have to submit.
Within 21 days of
Yes,
receipt of the letter of
Lordship, please come to
acceptance.
31.
Just wait, shall I deliver to the employee a performance guarantee?
Lordship. Within 21 days, I have to submit.
Amount of equivalent to 2% contribution plus with the clause 29.5 ITB and 52 of the consent country. Yes, 29.5 and 20, where is it is? Where is 29.5?
29.5. That's around there. Not it is deleted by the department itself.
Yes.
29.5 is not there. They are sticking on the performance guarantee and
A bid which contains several items in bill of quantities which are unnecessary PS law and which cannot be substituted. Where is this? 29.5 is where?
Lordship, it is not there.
Then 52 point,
Page 70, Lordship, it is up to 29.4 only.
52? Where is 52? Where is 52?
52 is also not there, Lord.
Huh?
Didn't find, Lord. So this is the document.
Yeah.
Now, Lordship, page 31 might kindly be seen.
52 is also not there. There is no clause 52.
Lordship, it is not available.
29.5 is also not there.
The main reason for cancelling that we have not submitted performance guarantee.
When LOA was issued,
Yes, it was issued 28/3 law.
where it is?
Annex 4, page 29 law. So in document it is 21 days, but in LOA it is written 10 days.
Huh?
In page 29, Lordship,
Hmm.
you are hereby, paragraph 2, you hereby requested to furnish performance security in the form detailed in paragraph 34.1.
So requirement is 21 days,
Yes, Lordship, that was submitted by me.
within 21 days.
Yes, Lord, within 10 days. Now they have stated in.
When did you submit?
Lordship, I submitted page 31,
On?
3/4/25.
Where do you get it?
Lordship, it is on the top. Lordship, left side.
Where pleasure in conferring deposit here.
Before that,
The
Lord.
details of which are
It is there 3/4/25.
3, 4.
3/4/25.
Okay. Within 10 days.
Yes, within 10 days. Yes, sir.
Then? That's all.
But now, Lordship, they have cancelled my.
Yes, who is for the respondent?
Pending council PWD. Lord.
Hmm. Madams, who is for PWD? Who? Huh? Heard Mr. S.C. Kayak, learned counsel for the petitioner. Challenge made in this writ petition is to the order dated 14/5/2025. What is the, any status? This is on of June, May?
If we have come to know that contract has been awarded to another person.
Hmm?
Awarded to another person also. We have made them party also.
14/5/2025. Issued by the chief engineer, PWD within Brigade Roads, Assam, whereby the LOA issued to the petitioner on 03/04/2025 for construction of the works strengthening and widening of Lakhirburg to Bawargat Road as Gaurav Park from Sensha, page 30. Pursuant to the NIT?
Lordship, NIT Carnival. Lordship, page.
Dated 21/11/2024.
My lord will take up this
being,
matter.
being, being,
Huh? My lord,
failure to
my lord.
submit the required performance security within the stipulated period as per clause 34.3, 29.5 and 52.1 of the standard bidding document.
My lord,
Please stuff.
P Naik is appearing in this matter, my lord. May I call him, my lord?
Issue
Okay.
notice.
Only notice, my lord.
returnable by 4 weeks. Huh? Please call, inform him.
My lord.
I'm passing the interim order. As Mr. P. Naik Leonard, it is standing counsel PWD enters the appearance to accept notice on behalf of respondent number, respondent number 1, 2. 5, no formal notice need be served. Our extra copies be furnished. Learned counsel for the petitioners to take steps for service of notice upon respondent 5 and 6 by speed post. They say the speed post. Now, speed post 7 within 2 days from today. Heard on the interim prayer. Considering, do you have interim prayer? Do you have?
Not.
But once the
But in the
work has been
meantime,
allotted,
in the meantime, the work has been allotted to respondent number
so
5.
what can we do?
But see, we will amend the petition, we will seek for compensation. If
Huh?
we will amend the petition, seeking compensation.
So today interim order is not required. Then in that case,
Only notice may be issued.
I will should not.
Not.
4 weeks,
Not.
so and so. Then I thought I'll stay the cancellation order.
Not.
If you don't want, it's okay.
No, because it is lordship fair, on my part to fairly submit.
Okay.
Because he's doing the work. Lord.
Appreciate.
Okay.
Appreciated.
Much obliged.
Yes.
Here we have prayed for a direction to the respondents for payment of our contractual bill.
Yes, we have, somebody was there
Yes,
in the
Madam.
morning,
Yes, Madam.
in the first half. Yes,
Before that, my lord, lordship, on.
just wait, I've heard you.
No, my lord.
Yeah, Mr. Borua,
SP Das.
SP Das is blaming on you.
Before that.
I mean, to the union.
My lord, only one line, my lord.
Yes.
On 10/12/2025, in WPC number 1562, this ordinary bench has given an inquiry, my lord, to conduct an inquiry. So, my lord, this case may be fixed with this item, my lord. If the inquiry is done, my lord, everything will be out, my lord.
It's a similar matter.
Similar matter, my lord.
Okay, then what can we do?
And my lord, another petition, my lord, 2594 oblique 2020, which is at page 120, my lord. In that line also, lordship can also dispose of the matter, my lord.
No. Now the problem is that similar matter is under inquiry. So we'll raise it along with that.
No, that's right.
Yes.
So now,
Heard?
what has happened here is, this scheme has closed.
Hmm.
And I'll just point out to your lordship, just one page, page 102, that is annexure 2. By this document, if your lordship will come to page 103, the state government was given a window. If there is any further payments to be made, they could have asked for it. And whatever amount was with the state government, if it is unutilized, that has to be returned. They did not do anything on that.
See.
Now, that was in 24. Now, how can he blame me, lordship? You did not do anything.
That is precisely we call you. We know.
So
We have
that is why the inquiry-
noticed this also.
That is why the inquiry has been given.
So that's why I said in
Yes,
the
yes.
first step that it's not a lookout of the petitioner.
No,
If you that he is entitled
If
from
he is
where,
entitled to, he should get.
Whether you Akash se le lo or Patal se niklo, you have to pay. Is not it?
In fact, my lord, the affidavit filed by the respondents, my lord.
It's okay.
Also
Since the
affidavit.
similar matter is under inquiry, we'll place a list along with that. We'll see. Ah, you have provided the account.
Yes, ma'am, we have operated on.
What is called?
Not
Head of the
head
account.
no?
Ah. Heard Mr. Swain, learned counsel for the petitioner, as directed by this court. No, and in deference to the order of this court, Mr. S.P. Das, learned state counsel.
But appealing for response number 2, 4, 5, and 6.
Learned you are state counsel,
Standing council.
standing counsel.
For response number 2, 4, 5,
Who
and
is responsible 2, 4, and 5?
Not,
You are standing counsel of what?
standing council of skill, employment, and
Skill, employment, and craftsman.
entrepreneurship department. Entrepreneurship.
Entrepreneurship department. Respondent number 2,
2, 4, 5, and 6, madam.
4, 5, and 6. By placing the communication dated 12/12/2025. The head of the account could not be traced out in the portal, in the relevant portal, as the scheme has already been closed. List of. However, a new account, head of account has been created, being 2230-001-0907-00, this. For disbursement of claims of BTPS and accessing bodies. He further submitted on a list of referring to the instruction. He further submitted there is no budget provision in the said head of the account, and the government of India has not released fund against the pending liabilities of BTPS and assessing body. This is accessing body or assessing body?
Assessing body, madam.
Assessing body, and not accessing, assessing body. It is stated at the word that the similar matter pertains to WPC. WPC
number 1562.
1562 of 2022 is under inquiry.
Order 10/12/2025.
Order of which?
But that WPC, madam. 10/12/2025.
In terms of the order of this court, dated 10/12/2025. This court has ordered for inquiry.
Yes, madam.
Mr. Considering above, let this matter be listed along with WPC so and so, so and so. In the meantime, the inquiry so directed may include the present case. No, the inquiry so directed may include the present case. List after 4 weeks. We'll see. And then copy of the communication switch, huh? You placed him. You just record his name also after the survey, huh?
But say for a big date, madam.
Give the date after 4 weeks. Yes. What happened?
Just complied, Lordship. The speaking order given, Lordship. As per the direction of this honorable court, Lordship, it is complied.
Saying what?
Saying that
Documents
they have
went to the
cancelled-
tender process for
Yes, Lord.
procurement of 300 numbers of so initiatives and is hereby cancelled. However, if any bidder, including representatives, agreed shall have delivered to participate any written and when plotted in the interest of the according to the implementation. Where is the direction?
Direction, Lordship, it is page.
My lord, may I just?
Just wait. Where is the direction?
46, relevant page, Lordship, 46, Lordship.
4.8 Discord dispose with the following direction in observation direction. It's very clear. Will initiate. Mr. Goswami,
Lordship. And contempt.
just wait.
Lordship, after receipt of this direction, Lordship, the authority, Lordship, authority constitute one committee to verify the bid.
Sorry,
Yes, verify the
it
bid.
may be relevant to observe that so and so attend, as there is no challenge, this court fixes it. You said it is for this, another communication placed before the court today by President, who is this respondent to Mr. The London Council, when it has been mentioned to seek 1 month's time for submission of compliance report. The said documents kept on record. A further opportunity granted us to comply with the direction as contained in this so and so. We are initiating.
So that, Lordship, the
Read
speaking-
page 46.
Lordship,
Read page 46. You have cancelled it. You have gone for fresh
no,
tender.
Lordship, no, Lordship. We are not canceling.
Please try to understand.
Yes. Page 46, Lordship.
We
The-
don't draw.
Yes.
Initiate pleasure by initiating contempt proceedings.
The impugned
And
action.
the order has to be
Yes, Lordship.
complied with.
The impugned action on the part of the respondent authority to cancel the tender process and go for a fresh tender, so and so, so. Next, Lordship. The decision of the respondent authority to cancel the tender process initiated on the basis of the notice inviting tender dated so and so, and go ahead with the fresh tender process as resolved in the minutes of the meeting dated so and so is interfered with. The respondent authority are directed to bring the tender process initiated via notice inviting tender dated so and so to its logical conclusion as per the terms of the notice inviting tender dated 13/02/2024, Lordship. Now, Lordship, what happened, Lordship? After this order, Lordship, the that process was in the technical bits, Lordship.
Whatever.
Yes.
Whatever.
Now, Lordship, after this order, Lordship, after this.
Are you saying that by this order you have complied with the
No, no.
court's order? Then we are initiative.
No, no, before Lordship, before,
Hmm.
before Lordship, on 17/02/2025, that is in the, that is in the speaking order, Lordship, it was constituted one committee, Lordship, to verify the technical beach. Technically, it is the on, during the
We don't
process,
know anything.
during the process.
Whether we'll have only see that whether the court's order has been duly complied with or not.
The court order,
It has not been. Are you saying you have been complied? We'll record it.
Lordship, Lordship, paragraph.
Please try to understand, Mr. Goswami.
Yes. Page 46, paragraph D, Lordship.
I'm repeating again and again. We don't draw pleasure initiating any contempt proceedings against the officers. But when you don't comply, we'll have to. And it appears that all the process is been on the advice of you, advice of the state lawyer.
No, Lordship, that is.
You have submitted 2 documents earlier. How can you have this speaking order? What is the direction to pass a speaking order? And who, if you have any difficulty, who is stopping you from filing an appeal against that order? It's a clear order, page 46.
Lordship,
We're fixing it on 6th.
Lordship.
Think about it.
Lordship.
We're initiating, we thought we'll
Lordship.
initiate it today.
Lordship.
You think about it.
In fact, my lord, what I understand,
It's okay, we'll see. We'll see.
this letter has in fact proved that
Yes, we'll see.
it is rather helping the petitioner in as much as this is a clear proof that they are not compliant from day one.
Yes, we'll record that. Heard Mr. M. Biswas, learned counsel for the petitioner. Discord on 28/11/2025. Inter alia notice that by another communication as placed by Mr. Goswami, Jackie Goswami, and counsel for the list content number 2, wherein it has been mentioned to seek 1 month's time for submission of the compliance report, which is police stuff, huh? On consideration, upon due consideration, the entire matter, and in view of the clear direction in paragraph 58 of judgment and order that is 0402/2025, passed in WPC 3832 of 2024. An opportunity was granted to the respondents to comply with the above direction, failing which appropriate direction would be passed. List of next period. Today, Mr. J.K. Goswami, by placing the copy of the speaking order dated 12/12/2025, passed by the Director Animal Husbandry and Veterinary, Assam, submits that the respondent number 2, after consideration of the entire matter, and consideration of the matter, has disposed of the representation of the petitioner and decided to the representation of the petitioner, decided to cancel the has cancelled the tender process for procurement of 3 engine numbers of ILR initiated by number GEM dated 13/02/2024. List of perusal of the as noted by this court, perusal of the observation and directions of this court by judgment that is so and so. Is clear and unambiguous. List of the so-called speaking order paraphrase appears to be in the teeth of the order of this court that is so and so, so and so. List of ordinarily under the contempt jurisdiction, this court would have initiated proceedings against the alleged contemptor. However, considering that the respondent authorities appears to have been was the speaking order at the on the advice of the learned State Council, further a week's time is granted, an opportunity of week's time is granted to the learned Standing Council to take steps on the issue. List of on the next date, depending upon whether the order of this court is duly complied or not, appropriate orders shall be passed. We'll just grant them a swing. Please advise.
Lordship,
It appears to be
Lordship,
your advice.
I'll try.
Not you, whoever may be.
I will. try.
Cancellation was under challenge in the writ petition.
We'll see,
I will try.
we'll see. All right. The copy of the speaking order so and so, so and so. The date so and so passed by the director so and so. LS contempt number 2 is kept on record as marked as document size. List the matter on 6th.
Lordship,
Kindly.
I will try.
So no objection.
I don't have any
Ah.
objection, Lordship.
Oh, add Mr. So and so learned counsel for the petition. And Mr. Arketi, who is one? Respondent number 1?
State of
Ah.
Assam.
Revenue Fund, Standing Council.
147.
Respondent and Mr. Arketi Chaudhary, learned, he is Union of India. No IIT.
IIT is party number 5, my lord. Number 5.
Anyway, next paragraph. This is an application seeking for substitution of petitioner by the applicants being the legal heirs. Rest of the petitioner. This is petitioner, only one
Yes, my lord.
petitioner. Was a petitioner has filed the interconnected WPC 3661 of 2018. Next paragraph, petitioner filed the WPC /2018. Seeking for a direction to pay the dictatorial award of Jirat and dwelling house and building existing on the land acquired from the father of the petitioner, acquired from the petitioner for the construction of IIT from Guwahati amounting to rupees 20,63,007.88. List of during the pendency of the writ petition, the petitioner had expired. List of. Therefore, the present petition filed by the applicants seeking present petition, application is being filed for substitution by the of the petitioner by his legal heirs, namely Dinesh Kalita, son of so and so, and Balen Kalita. Having considered that the applicants are sons.
Yes, ma'am.
Sons of the late Ranjit Kalita, who was the petitioner in the connected WPC so and so, and died during the pendency, had expired during the pendency of the connected writ petition, above connected writ petition, and prayer not being objected to by land council for the response, I deem it appropriate to allow this application. List. Accordingly, the applicants, namely so and so, are allowed to be. No, the petitioner is allowed to be substituted by the applicants, namely so and so. Writ petition stands allowed. The IA stands allowed and disposed of. That's all. In writ petition, amend in view of the order passed so and so. File registered to incorporate, so and so.
Kind indulgence, Lordship, we had mentioned that matter for unlisted today, Your Lordship. There was some defects, Lordship, so now the matter is listed. Lordship, maybe the matter may come up tomorrow, Your Lordship. In the motion call. I'll file a fresh mention memo right now, Lordship. Tomorrow.